What's up, people, and welcome back to a new live stream here once again, doing it today. And of course, what we are having today is very exciting, guys. I was keeping you guys already up to date in the Discord server, on Twitter, and I was saying also on Twitter, buying Bitcoin below the 60k is still a good buy. And why am I saying this? Because right now we're sitting around 59k here, and I know everyone wants to see Bitcoin going a little bit more further to the upside. So let me fix this real quickly here. So what are we having right now? So there are multiple things that we can be looking at, guys, and I will be also going into the lower time frames. I will be also going into Dogecoin, of course, Elon Musk pumping it up once again, and I will be also going into Ethereum, because Ethereum showing so many follow through. Guys, it's truly lovely to see. But what you can see right now is, of course, we were looking at the scenario as a head and shoulders pattern. You can see, you can look at it as a head and shoulders. You can also look at it as a cup and handle. So if we're seeing, if we're taking both patterns in consolidation right now, both patterns, if we keep them in mind, you can see these patterns are consolidating under resistance. And guys, always, this is one of the most bullish things I am seeing here since we were, of course, breaking here to the upside. But this is really very bullish for Bitcoin. We are consolidating under the most critical resistance target, guys. So are we going to see a break today? I do think it's very likely. I do think that before this weekend, before we're going to go into the weekend, I do think we can maybe possibly set a new all-time high, of course. And maybe once touching the all-time high, we're going to cool down for a second over here. But I do think before Friday, we can even set a new all-time high, guys. I'm getting very excited. So let me know what you guys think in the chat. Also, truly lovely. Already 400 of you guys are tuning in here, and we're just 3 minutes live, guys. This is absolutely insane. So also, if I look at the scenario over here, if I set up this gray box real quickly, guys, also looking for more trades in multiple trades positions right now, and also only accumulating long positions, not looking for shorts at the moment. But look at this particular scenario. So this is really lovely to see, by the way. You can see over here, we were, of course, getting rejected. Here we were finding support on this level. And yeah, earlier today, we had this big wick to the downside. Once again, showing signs of a lot of strength in the market. And we were just getting rejected by this level. But this gray box of support was still holding us up. So also, we are creating an upward sloping support line on the 1 hour. We're also creating this upward sloping supportive line on the 4 hour. So the more time frames, the better, of course, the more significance as well. But yeah, as you can see here, this is just basically what the most interesting thing that we don't want to be seeing here is, of course, this breakthrough. And I want to draw it a little bit more significant. I did not drew it perfectly, but I do want to be seeing this breakthrough of the 59.4k here for Bitcoin, because if we are really going to clearly break through this level, guys, this will be extremely bullish. And I surely hope that we can see and witness this, of course, live in stream. And the 4-hourly candle will be closing in 1 hour and 30 minutes, guys. And I will be watching this 4-hourly close, of course, with you guys, if you want me to. So everyone's saying in the chat, but let me quickly look at the chat. Everyone's saying good morning, Crypto Rover. For me, it's already almost evening. But yeah, good morning for everyone who's just waking up from America or somewhere else. Good morning, everyone. Or thank you for all tuning in already. Can we do a trade for the FAMX competition? And guys, yes, yes, there is certainly possibilities to trade for the FAMX competition. Still, it's 3 accounts in the trades, and yesterday I told you as well, because yesterday we did this live in the stream and we were adding more to our position. We were looking to this particular place, and I think Super Chat is coming in here. Looks like Show Lens is Untitled. Haha, have a great stream. So, wait, looks like your Shoe Lens is Untitled. Whoa, damn, you're fooling with me. Of course. It's April. It's April Fool's Day, guys. I'm getting fooled already here, but thank you for the super chat. James Holt is also saying, what do you think of the bearish divergence? The bearish reversal divergence on the 1 hour on the Ethereum. So, give me a second, James Holt. Thank you for tuning into the channel, and I know you're the first member of the Crypto Rover channel. And you will be getting this this new color anytime soon. But what do I think about it? Give me a second, James Holt, because I will be going into it. But for Bitcoin, we're just mainly looking very good, because I do think it is the structure is looking pretty good for Bitcoin at the moment, because we are just consolidating under resistance. And guys, I cannot stress enough about it. Once you're consolidating under resistance, these are just very bullish signs. So also Doper donating to the channel. You're saying good morning, bro. ORN went live yesterday, and the price has since then declined. Any thoughts on what's up? So Doper, give me a second. I will be looking in the charts as well for ORN. But what I do think here is always once you're having good news coming out, once everyone was already anticipating that the good news was coming out. So what basically happened is that everyone was buying in before the let me see. before it went live, or when it went live. So if it went live, basically everyone is selling the news and buying the buying the rumor, selling the news is basically how it always goes. So as well for it was let me see, it was a mainnet of if I said Cosmos was launching their mainnet, and they were having an exact date of it. So we were seeing the run up for Cosmos all the time, but once we were seeing the mainnet getting launched, you would saw the price decreasing. So that is basically what you're always having. So I mean, it's nothing to be afraid of. And also Sharo tuning in. But guys, let me check quickly the Bitcoin dominance, because after this I will be going, of course, into Ethereum, because we first want to look at these two biggest cryptocurrencies, and after that we will be looking into, of course, other coins as well, because I want to go into every single request. But guys, yesterday in the stream we were watching this, and I can even draw this a little bit more to the upside so I can see some more significance. But what we are having here is that the Bitcoin dominance is once again surging, and you can see the Bitcoin dominance is falling, where the altcoin dominance is surging to the upside. So this is, of course, definitely a lovely thing to see for the altcoins, because I love altcoins, I love holding them, and I love gains. And people are still calling, is it alt season yet? Is it alt season yet? No, we are still have to wait a little bit longer, guys, because if you watch the channel already for a longer period of time, you know that we are anticipating this breakthrough of this white line of support. So if we're going to break through this level, and if we're going to see a clear breakthrough, and of course also maybe a retest of previous resistance, previous support flipping into resistance, then we can be calling alt season. And alt season is very close, guys, because we are coming closer and closer to the apex, and the apex is, of course, by the end of August. I do think that we're going to break out earlier than August. I think it can already be this coming month, because it is looking like it is looking like that Ethereum is trying to dominate this month of March. Month of April. Sorry, quickly have to take a sip of my coffee here. Sorry, I do need to get some coffee in, guys. Yesterday I completely forgot it, guys. Yesterday I promised you guys that I was going to give away a mug on my Instagram, but unfortunately I completely forgot it, and it was like 4 hours later, and I thought, oh damn, shit, I forgot it. So today we'll be giving away 2 mugs, okay? I promise already, today I will be giving away 2 mugs, because yesterday I did not give the mug away where I did promise it. So what we are having here with the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation, you can see this gray box over here, it was holding us up pretty strong here. This gray box was holding us up pretty strong here for the Ethereum dominance, Ethereum compared to Bitcoin. So yeah, it was very likely that we were going to bounce from off this level. You can see also a lot of wicks were created, and over here, yeah, we wick below it, but that's not all too bad, to be honest. You can still see we were bouncing back to the upside. And if you looked at this other scenario of the ascending rising wedge here, if you look to this, clear bounce, and are we going to see the follow-through getting created? Are we going to see another fake out just like we did over here? And everyone is saying, how was the barbecue? It was truly lovely, and I truly enjoyed it. So it was a very nice barbecue. But guys, still, I am right now thinking we can maybe see some kind similar like this, and maybe we're going to see another fake out just like this. But the point here is I will be going into the Ethereum chart in a second here compared to US dollar. That is looking particularly strong in my opinion. So that is the reason also why I do think that we can finally start this surge to the upside, because usually you're having periods for Bitcoin, like you can see over here, because Ethereum compared to Bitcoin is decreasing, and here you have a period for Ethereum. And these are periods of consolidation. So periods of consolidations are over, and I do think that this month of April can be possibly the month of Ethereum. Because first I was saying March is the month of Ethereum, but in the whole month of March, because you can see this is the month of March over here, they only consolidated. So Ethereum was not doing any interesting things here. And what we do want to be seeing, of course, is that Ethereum is gaining, because once Ethereum is gaining evaluation, we can definitely benefit from it. So the reason why I am saying that Ethereum is looking very bullish, even though on the 1 hour you are forming a bearish divergence, on the 4 hour we invalidated the bearish divergence, what is of course very nice, because we are moving a little bit higher. So it's always a bearish divergence, it's very close to call it. But what you can see, first I will be looking at this pattern. We should have a crypto rover barbecue once possible. Of course. We will. Don't worry. Especially once we're reaching 100K, I will be, of course, giving a huge party for everyone. I mean, it's really depending where you live in the world. But, of course, everyone is invited already, guys. We're going to do a huge party, crypto rover party. I'm looking forward to it already. But if you look to the Ethereum price section, Ethereum compared to US dollar, you can see we have this downward sloping resistance line here, upward sloping support line, and these gray boxes that we had to clear. So yes, we finally broke through this level. This was also a level that we were discussing here yesterday in the stream, because I know everyone was loving everyone was loving Ethereum, and we were witnessing here Ethereum trying to struggle through, and it was not clearly breaking through yet. But since we were seeing the breakthrough, guys, I told you guys, please wait for a confirmation of this previous resistance flipping into support. Maybe I will be still saying it, because if we're going to see a move down and you see this level getting touched around the 1850 US dollars, this will be definitely your strongest level that you can be accumulating your Ethereum. But only if we're going to touch that level, because right now we are clearing very important levels at the moment. We're clearing this gray box of resistance, what was holding us back over here, what was providing support over here, what was holding us back over here. And guys, there's so much significance in the chart right now. And that's also my reason why I don't think that we're going to move that low that fast here. Also, the EMA ribbon is still far away on the 4 hour, but we are looking very strong for Ethereum at the moment. And if I flip it to the 1 hour, because let me see, if we were getting a super chat, what do you think about the bearish divergence that Ethereum is having on the 1 hour? And guys, one thing that I want to be saying here, the lower the time frame, the less significant the drop off will be for the bearish divergence. So yes, we were seeing a bearish divergence, and what do I think about it? Yes, you could have gotten rid of it over here, but what you can see, we already cooled off of this bearish divergence. I don't think that this bearish divergence can really push the price that low, to be honest, because you can see already, because of that, we reversed. And I mean, if it was on the daily, yes, we can see a stealth rejection, but this is only on the 1 hour. So we can't be seeing a move to the upside getting created anytime soon here. Not saying that we're definitely going to do so, because I do think if we're going to move down here, guys, there are so many support levels. We have this gray box sitting around the 1900 US dollars, psychological level as well. We also have this previous strong resistance target right now acting as support. And also, Alex Harris, you're saying Charlie Lee just announced BTC Lite. No way. That's insane. Let me check it in a second. So, Andrew also donated here. Thank you for your 10 Aussie dollars. And you're saying, hey, Rover, can you please check Harmony 1 for entry point? Guys, there are so many requests coming in. Give me a second, Andrew. Also have to look into another coin from another request in a second. But first, we'll be discussing Ethereum, because everyone is anticipating Ethereum right now. Guys, just give me a second. We'll be going into everything. Also, if you're saying something in the chat, we will be going into it, of course. So if you are moved to the lower sides here, if we're heading towards this gray box, this will definitely be your possibility for an entry target. Also, if we're heading towards this supportive line, that is also an entry target. So I don't think these bearish divergences are so bad here for the price action of Bitcoin, to be honest. But the thing here is that we still have to break through the 2K here. So we got rejected almost by it, because the 2K is a very, very strong psychological resistance level. And it also looks like that we are taking out the previous high over here, and of course not forming a bearish divergence. So that's of course very nice. And I do think that Ethereum is set to go to higher places. And I was telling you guys also on Twitter, I do think there is a high possibility that Ethereum is heading towards the 2,500 US dollars in just a matter of check Twitter. Man, I will be checking it. And I feel very bullish about Ethereum, because I do think, someone is saying it in the chat right now as well, because I also posted this one on Twitter. I was talking about a huge W/ascending triangle, guys. We were seeing it. You can look at that multiple ways. If you flip Ethereum to the daily, guys, this is, please tell me in the chat, how does this look? Does it look bearish? Does it look bullish? Okay, I gave you enough time to react to it, but guys, this is extremely bullish. And because why? Maybe you're wondering, maybe you're not familiar yet with these patterns. This is a W pattern, and right now we are looking at the 1 day candle. So this is on the daily time frame, guys, and the point here is, the higher the time frame, the more significant it will be. And what happened on Twitter, guys, please be careful what people are saying right now on Twitter, because it's April. It's April, the 1st of April. It's April Fool Day. Be careful. People are sometimes just saying things, and they're going to say, "Oh, it was a joke" or so. So please don't take everything serious on Twitter today. But look at this, guys. You can see you have a W structure. So very nice higher low also created. So that's also confirmation of a very bullish W structure. And everyone is saying it right now in the chat. Whoa, that's W, absolutely bullish. That's completely true, and of course on the daily you are still no, you're almost forming a bearish divergence. Of course, there will be probably a lot of divergence playing out here on the higher time frames, because you can see over here on this high we were seeing approximately an 89 in the RSI index. I don't think that we're going to go to the 89 in the RSI index anytime soon here. But I do think that we can be moving up with the price action of Ethereum. Of course, if you measure the price target, guys, this will be quite not horrible, this will be quite shocking because we can be moving up so quickly. I was telling you already, look at this price target. 2,400 US dollars and 2,443 US dollars will be the price target of this W breakout. So guys, you can also look at it as an ascending triangle here. So if you look at it as an ascending triangle, you can also see a lot of significance. You can see we have multiple touch points, and of course everything is providing you support. So of course the price target of the ascending triangle will be a little bit higher, almost the same. So in general, it is just looking very good. It is looking good, and I'm looking forward to see what we are going to see here with the breakout. Because first, we want to see the confirmation. If you're willing to trade Ethereum as well, you can be trading it on Femex, you can be trading it on Bybit, whatever you prefer. But guys, this is definitely a very good and strong trading opportunity here, because you do want to be catching these big trades, right? You do want to be catching these swing trades, and this is a trade of 26%, guys. This is a trade setup of 26%, and that is absolutely bullish as I can't say it because otherwise I get demonetized, but you know what I mean. This is looking very good, and 26%, let's say you're using a 4x, you're already making 100% gains, and of course a 4x is pretty low leverage and pretty low risk as well. So guys, I do think there are huge opportunities to look at it, and damn it. So yeah, sorry, I had to block some spammers here. I don't know why people are spamming in the chat. Always loving it because people are spamming, always getting blocked on the channel. So Ethereum gaining strength, that's completely true. Let's see what we're going to do. So first, let me check the quick super chat that we got. You were asking me, after this, guys, I will be going into more altcoins as well. I will be going into more altcoins. And let me get, can I still find the super chat? Yes, over here. So I found the super chat. Very, very nice. So you were saying, can you please look at Harmony 1? So, of course, I will be looking at Harmony 1, guys. And I was telling this already on Harmony 1, what we are having here. I thought Harmony 1 was topping out here. And I definitely still stand behind my word. I will be saying it will be topping out for the long run. But for the immediate short term, yes, I do think that we're topping out here. And my reason to believe it is, of course, the bearish divergence that you were not creating on the daily, but were creating on the 4-hour. So you were creating huge bearish divergence. You were losing momentum. You were losing strength, and you were still setting higher highs. So it was imminent to see a divergence coming in here. Even though, guys, also a very, very normal market structure. You can see we are going absolutely parabolic, and this is always going in waves. So you first see a minor push-up, and the end of the day, you're going parabolic. And once you're going parabolic and you're breaking the trend, you're probably going to consolidate, probably a little bit to the downside. And this is also a thing that I'm anticipating at the moment. So I'm not saying that I'm bearish on Harmony 1, but what I do think here is that we're probably going to see consolidation. If I just zoom out a little bit here. But if I look to the 4-hour, and if I get this parallel channel in front of me, of course, if I look to the parallel channel, you can maybe see that we are still in you can still see we are in an uptrend, because I cannot ignore this one. We are still setting higher lows, higher highs. So yes, you're setting higher highs with lower highs in the RSI, so the momentum is cooling off, and the more times you're testing a certain level of support, the more likely it will be that you're going to break it. So in my opinion, yes, you do want to be very careful. And yeah, let's see where it is heading towards. Let's see what we are going to do with Harmony 1. And are we going to see this breakdown? You can definitely look to take some profits, maybe, if you're already in very good profits, but in my opinion, if you're here to make very good gains in the immediate short term, I should stay away from it for a second. I should look at different projects, because in my opinion, Harmony 1 is pretty overvalued at the moment. I mean, I'm not saying that project is bad, but I do think it's just a little bit overextended, and it is here to cool off for a second. It was a joke. Yeah, please, guys. I can hear. It's not muted. Wait, what? No sound. No sound? Guys, do we have no sound? Do we have no sound? I think the sound is working, right? I mean, oh my gosh, I'm getting fooled once again. I'm getting fooled. I checked out the sound. Guys, we're always getting fooled here on the channel. It's April Fool's Day, so it's April Fool's Day. So Link TA, please. Yeah, let's look at Link. Of course, also we'll be going into ADA in a second. But let's check Chainlink for a second here. Guys, you can see we were discussing Chainlink already for such a long period of on the channel. And we were setting up these very important levels here, just these gray boxes, because I just purely love horizontal levels. You can see, once again, the significance in horizontal levels, because a market is always moving in waves. So I got fooled. I see. Now I'm not going to look at it anymore. Guys, We have sound. Yeah, thank you for the confirmation, Craig. I hear you. Thank you. Thank you. I can't. Guys, I will be not reacting to this anymore because then the whole stream will be going about this. So yeah, what we are having with Chainlink, you can basically see we're bouncing between these levels, and the lower side, this is the very, very strong support, because every time, once we are touching this level, you can see a very fast run to the upside is created. So here we only touched it and already created this wick to the upside and moved higher. So that's very nice to see. And once clearing this previous resistance, which you can see also got rejected over here, but once clearing this level, once we were moving higher, we were retesting it once again, and of course after that we have blast off. And that is also the reason why the altcoins are taking more dominance from Bitcoin. You can see Bitcoin cooling off, Bitcoin doing not any interesting things here, where these other altcoins are just gaining and gaining and gaining. And this is not the only reason, because also recently there came some news out that Grayscale added another 3 billion to their portfolio, and they mainly added more alts. So they are also anticipating alt season, guys. Grayscale is anticipating alt season, just like we are on the channel. And just a quick thing that I do want to be saying here right now live for 22 minutes, and we are having exactly 1,000 viewers, I see. And guys, we are right now only 4 likes away. We are 4 likes away from the 200 likes. Can we already smash up the 200 likes? That would be, of course, very lovely to see. And also getting another super chat in here. So let me check it as well here. But guys, can we smash it up to 200 likes? Only 4 more likes here would be, of course, lovely. And Needy also saying, I'm in the 28th Ethereum long since the $1,830 US. When should I higher my leverage or add more to my position? Greetings from Germany. So give me a second. I will wrap up my thoughts about Chainlink, and then I will be going into it, Needy, because it is looking like that you're having a very good entry. And of course, I love to see once these, of course, the watchers and the community is gaining a lot, because in the end of the day, we are here to make good gains, and I love to see you guys doing it as well. But what we are having with Chainlink, right, the fighting against this level, guys, and I see we already smashed it up to 300 likes. We are doing an insane job here. We're doing an insane job. Let's see if we even smashed it up to 3. Okay, that's insane. Thank you so much for liking the video. Very lovely to see. But guys, the gray box providing, you can see, very strong support. Resistance. Here we have some fake outs, of course. But yeah, we're right now trading at critical levels for Chainlink. Can we finally see this breakthrough, of course? And once we're clearing this level, this will be the major level that we do want to be clearing after that, because this is also providing us a lot of resistance. So let's see if we can do so. Let's see if we can see some more volatility getting created. At least take out this previous high over here, and then we can be looking for newer highs, guys. But yeah, you were talking about your Ethereum trade. That you entered at $1,820 US. So that is looking particularly good here. And yes, you can add more to your position, but please don't always rush into adding more to your position. Wait a second, see what the market is doing, and I should only add more to your position once you are falling. So upping your leverage is already a thing that you can be doing, because if you're upping your leverage, your position will be completely the same. You will be making the exact same gains, but only it will be the exact same position. But if you're upping your leverage, you can also add a little bit more, because you're getting some initial back. So that is, of course, a thing that you can be thinking about. But in my opinion, yeah, your entry is very good. But there are 2 levels that you can be adding more to your position, Needy. So on this white line of previous resistance, you can be adding more to your position, because you can see 1, 2, 3 very clear touches, very a lot of significance. So it will be also a very nice place to add more to your position. So this level is sitting around the $1,850 US. So $1,850 US will be your level where I should add the most of my position, because this is just the level with the most amount of significance. But I already think, to be very honest, I don't think it's very likely to see this level getting touched. I do think if we're going to see a move down, what is already not very likely to see, because I do think that Bitcoin is looking very good right now. And of course, if Bitcoin is going to pump today, Ethereum will be not going down. Ethereum will be only going up and up and up. So yeah, in my opinion, I do think gray box can be hit. And once we're hitting this gray box, we can be moving already higher. But I mean, I won't be surprised if we're already going to move higher. So, Mark, thank you for donating, but I don't know what you're saying. I don't know what you're saying, bro. I don't know what you're saying. So, please, donate in English. Donate in English. But yeah, let's see what we're going to do here for the for Ethereum price. But really depending on Bitcoin as well. Of course, Ethereum is already going already to the upside, because when Bitcoin is consolidating. So if Bitcoin is just going to do nothing, this will be only providing more and more fuel. So Bitcoin, as you can see, for the past 4 hours, we're just basically not doing anything interesting. So this is since for the last 2 days. For the last 2 days, we haven't been doing anything interesting for Bitcoin. And I feel this is 2 days, but it feels like 1 day or it's 20 hours. It feels so short, but this is already consolidation for 2 days and 4 hours. So guys, the time is flying once you're in crypto. It definitely is very lovely to see. So yeah, let's see. Helen, thank you for your very nice chat. Rove, I understand you more than a YouTuber with your live stream. I know exactly when to buy and sell. That's definitely lovely to see. So Tsunami also donating. Thank you so much. You're saying love your content. Have you ever heard of Grape Link Protocol, GLQ? It's a new project but looks promising. No, I haven't heard about it. Let me check it up real quickly. Haven't heard about it, but I mean, there's so many new projects coming on to the cryptocurrency space, guys. There's so many coins right now coming into the market. You can see it also over here, over 9,000 cryptocurrencies. I knew there were only 2,000 cryptos in 2017, and right now already 9K. So that is absolutely insane, of course, but not a lot of information about it. I do want to do my fundamental research on it. I don't see the text, so I don't know exactly what it is about. But yes, it's on Uniswap, so that's already a thing that I do like here. But it's very hard to give my opinion about this one. But man, if you're making good profits, definitely one that you can be holding. But I don't know. I have to do my research before really giving my opinion about this. So Mark, once again donating, and you're saying why the mouth open YouTube teasers just like Crypto? No, I'm just trying a new style of my thumbnails. And I do think it's cool. It's better than the previous ones. Okay, I do think the thumbnails can be better, but guys, working on it still, but it's already better than the previous style. So yeah, of course, trying to make better quality for you guys. So definitely also thumbnails are very important for me. So we'll be also going into the trades in a second, because I'm right now approximately in 40K profit from a trade that just opened 3 days ago. So we're doing very good here on the channel. So also Ryan is saying, can you please check Phantom? So let me check Phantom. And guys, I think, by the way, we can be doing the 3 Litecoin giveaway today. I think we can be doing the 3 Litecoin giveaway. And if you're already familiar with the giveaway that we are planning to do, if you're already familiar with it, you can. I will be explaining it once again, guys. We will be doing a 30K, once we're reaching the 30K subscribers, we will be giving away exactly 3 Litecoin live in the stream, guys. And it will be awarded to 10 people. So you have a possibility to win 0.3 Litecoin. So if you want to participate in the giveaway, you just want to be in the live stream. I'm going to announce how I'm going to do it, but yeah, you only can win if you're like watching live, because otherwise you don't know what we are going to do here. So make sure to right now already smash up that subscriber button, because we are exactly 250 subscribers away, and right now watching with 1,100 people. And usually only 40% is subscribed, so we can already reach it in this stream. I do think that we can be reaching it in this stream. So if we are going to reach the 30K subscribers, we are going to give away 3 Litecoin live in the stream, guys. I'm absolutely looking forward to it. But let's check Phantom real quickly. But I'm getting very excited. I'm always loving to give away some stuff. And reaching 30K is definitely one of my targets that I do want to be reaching, guys. 30K subscribers, that's absolutely insane. So first we had this falling wedge over here. So we were breaking out of the falling wedge on Phantom. Let me quickly check it, because if I draw it like this, you can see also pretty nice retest on this one. So damn, and please, I need some new moderators in chat as well. Some extra moderators, because I see a lot of people are right now spamming as well in the chat, and I don't like it. So hey man, could you please check A-Day Cardano, please, and a prediction for April. Loving the content. Even I will be checking it after this one. Guys, there are 30K incoming. It's very close. But yeah, if you look to Phantom, falling wedge, even though I don't really like the falling wedge, because I do want to be having the significance of the previous pump as well. But yeah, if you just look to this scenario over here, you can see that we are clearing finally resistance, and we are moving up as well. So let's see what we're going to do. Let's see if we can be moving a little bit more to the upside. I do think it's very likely, because I do think that the month of April can be very strong for the altcoins. You can already seeing the very early signs that Ethereum is pumping, and it's just giving very good signs for the month of April. I do think this month can be pretty good for the altcoins, because once Ethereum is, of course, performing so good, a lot of other altcoins will be just following. So Phantom is definitely one of them. And this is exactly what I was telling you guys also with Harmony 1. Just a coin is going up, and in the end, it's going parabolic, and then it's going to cool off. So it is looking like that Phantom already cooled off quite significantly, and I do think it is over for Phantom anytime soon. And if I look to the daily, you can see it was creating a massive bull flag, to be honest. I cannot ignore this one. It was creating a massive bull, I mean a falling wedge is better to say. So on the daily, we were creating a massive falling wedge here. And I see a lot of people saying in the chat, mod here, please. Let me see if someone very active is in the chat. I can be a moderator for you. I will be just picking Dimitri. It's very lovely. Very lovely. I will, you know what, Dimitri? You are a moderator. So I will be picking more moderators. I mean, I see a lot of course, a lot of very true. Make me a moderator. Shelro, you're also a moderator. So two more moderators. I gave BitBoy your best light less. Wait, you. He was happy you were closing the 30K. Oh, that's very nice to hear. That's very nice to hear, Raymond. Very nice to hear. I mean, BitBoy was helping me out once starting off the channel. He gave me a shout out. So truly lovely. It's really lovely to see, but yeah, you can see a falling wedge was created here on the price action of Phantom. Price action of Phantom is looking good, in my opinion. It is looking like they were finally reversing, because yes, we were cooling off for a second, but it is very likely to see a cool period getting started. And even though, if we're going to take out the previous high, you want to be very careful, because we're going to create massive bearish divergence on the daily, because I don't think it's very likely to go back in the 90 index. Everyone wants to be a moderator, guys. I want to make more moderators anytime soon, but for now on it's good. But soon I will be making a new moderator. I will be... okay, Cheryl, please be careful. But it is looking very good, guys. It's looking very good for the price action of Phantom. I do think that we're reversing. But once we're seeing a move up getting created, I do think a reversal is very, very imminent. But let's go to ADA. Because I got a request. What do you think about ADA? And what is your prediction for April? So, still... If I remove this, I'm right now looking at the daily. Let me flip it back to the 4 hour. So if you look to the price action of ADA, still will be going for this ascending triangle that we're right now forming. It is looking very good. You are setting higher lows each and every time. And if you look at how long we're already holding up above the $1, it's already 70 days. So we're doing pretty strong here for the price action of ADA, of course. We are setting each and every time higher lows. And this is also making me feel very bullish, because in the end of the day, you want to look what the market structure is doing here. You want to see what the market structure is doing, and the market structure is, for me, looking like it's going even more to the upside. So Cardano very bullish, and my price prediction for April will be quite conservative, because I mean I can say a very bullish price prediction, because I do think for the month of April Ethereum will be gaining a lot, and because Ethereum will be gaining a lot, of course ADA will be not lagging behind. But I do think that we will be playing in this at least in this ascending triangle for, let's say, maybe another month. So I don't think it will be very bullish for ADA in April. But of course, really depending what the chart will be telling us. If we're still going to smash through this level, of course, I will be flipping very bullish, but I don't think it's likely to see. I do think it's likely to see another correction once hitting this level. And if we're going to see this correction once hitting this level, I do think it's likely to see this lower side of the support getting touched once again. But guys, my price prediction can be, of course, maybe $2 if we are going to break this level. But in my opinion, in the state where Cardano is currently at, I don't think that we can easily break through this level. So for me, price prediction for April, I think $1.40. $1.40, not a very stealth increasement of price, because I do think it's still going to consolidate after this huge run up, and I think it's very healthy as well for the Cardano price action. If we're going to still consolidate around this level, the breakout will be only huger, bigger and bigger and bigger. So the longer the consolidation, the more better it is for the long term. So Bitcoin is also moving up quite a bit here. And let me go back into my trace also in a second. So let me open up my trace. I just came home. Right away started up everything here, guys. So let me also check this up with my trace, because I was not looking to the trace yet here. Can I get it into the screen? Yes, I can get it into the screen. So that's, of course, really lovely. So this trade, still doing good here. Still doing good, approximately 9K in profit right now. Do want to be still have this take profit area over here. I mean, I'm going to take 10% profit once we're reaching the 60K on this one. And of course, on the other account, I can also get this other account up real quickly if you want to see it as well. I mean, I want to see it because I want to check on the trades. And of course, doing it live. So yeah, here's the other trade. Other trade right now is 6.4K. profit, and also going to take 10% out, because you do want to be covering the funding rates, you do want to be covering the fees that you want to pay, because otherwise, if you're still going to write it to your stop loss, you're probably making a loss in your trade, and that's not a thing that I'm looking to do. So of course, moving the stop loss higher up, if I'm really going to see it, if it's going to be necessary, the stop loss will be way higher. But for now on, the market, in my opinion, it's just purely looking very strong. We're consolidating under resistance, and guys, I will be riding these trades to insane digits, and I'm looking forward to it. But yeah, we are still trading at big resistance, and we do want to be breaking it. But I don't think it's very likely to see that we're just not going to smash through these levels. And also, if I go to this account, because currently in 3 accounts, this one is also in 4.6k, so this one is also doing good. Looking to add more to my position on this account, guys. So really, once we're smashing through this level, and I do think that we can be smashing through this level of the 59.5k approximately. If we're going to smash through this level, I will be adding more to my position. So if we're going to smash through this level, and if we're going to see it live, that would be, of course, very insane. But if we're going to smash through this level, closing some 4 hourly candles above it, because it is basically looking like the 4 hourly candles can't close above it. We can create some wicks on the top side, but the 4 hourly candles cannot close above it. So if we're going to see a 4 hourly candle close above it and then see a retest, guys, this will be my insane target, where I will be adding as the most amount of what is possible for me to add to this position. So guys, the trades will be only getting bigger and bigger and bigger. And also currently I am in some swing positions on my Bybit account as well. I'm approximately with a 0.3 Bitcoin. I am in a 4x long, so I entered this long on the wick here. So looking very good, looking forward to it. I was already closing that one earlier on Bybit, but I opened a new long position over here. So looking to write on one to new optimize, guys. We'll be giving you guys some more updates about my Bybit trades anytime soon as well, if you are loving it. But yeah, let's see if we can crush this market altogether, guys. Yeah, 70x, yes, that was my suicide trade. But it is doing pretty good. Litecoin is pumping. Let's check Litecoin, guys. Is Litecoin really pumping? That is, of course, very exciting, because we are going to give away 3 Litecoin. Let me check Litecoin real quickly, guys. It will be, of course, very cool, because the higher Litecoin is going to pump, the more we are going to give away, of course. Yes, it is giving. It's pumping even more. So hopefully it's going to pump to $1,000, because I already got the 3 Litecoin on a special account to just do the giveaway, of course. So yeah, looking forward to it. Litecoin increasing a little bit of valuation, looking good here. So can we see this breakout of the symmetrical triangle, guys? I do think that we can be seeing an extremely volatile move to the upside, and I was already anticipating this one. I was telling you guys, if we're going to move down, I think the price tag won't be breached, because we're still in the bull market. But if we're going to break to the upside, I can't ignore the price target, because this is, of course, extremely bullish for a price action of Litecoin. And don't be shocked, because if you're holding Litecoin, you're doing already a good job. But it can be heading towards the $300. And Litecoin is also tradable here on Femex. And I will be also looking to trade some more Litecoin. Of course, I'm looking to trade every single coin here. But sometimes, I mean, sometimes you just want to stay on the sidelines till we're seeing a clear breakout. And guys, if I'm taking this trade, I will be definitely keeping you guys up to date here, because for now on, I'm not really opening new positions, because I'm already in, let's say, 4 swing trade positions. And I'm, of course, looking to also enter on some altcoins, because it is looking like that this month will be going to the alts. It is looking like that the month of April will be very good for the altcoins. So let's see if we can see, yeah, Litecoin, of course, smashing through it. And also, what I do want to be seeing smash through here is, guys, we are only 14 subscribers away from the 29.8k here. And then we only have to do another 200 subscribers, and then we will be giving away 3 Litecoin live in the stream. So looking forward to it. Let's see if we can do it together. And I see Dean Harvey also tuning in. Very cool. I will be checking Crypto.com in a second. But yeah, guys, very excited. Only 18 more subscribers from the 29.8k. And then I think we probably can give away this 3 Litecoin in this stream. I'm looking forward to it. So BNB pumping. Everything is pumping. So let me check Crypto.com real quickly, because Crypto.com is still, the uptrend is very healthy. After this, I will be checking your BNB as well. Because, guys, BNB, of course, very lovely to see. Also increasing in valuation. But yeah, if you look to this chart real quickly, you can see Crypto.com forming once again higher lows each and every time. The uptrend is still in play here. The uptrend is still intact here for the price action of Crypto.com. I do think that we can be moving higher. You can see we were forming very stealth, rejection, and here we smashed through it. Of course, the Visa news was coming out that they're also working with Crypto.com. And also my reason I feel very bullish about Crypto.com is because it's just having very good fundamentals, and it's just a little bit undervalued. Litecoin is also on Bybit for the people who are interested. Yes, it's completely true. Elon Musk tweeted. Damn. Did he tweet? Oh no, you're probably fooling me. But let me finish this up real quickly. As you can see, previous resistance flipping into support. I do think that we at least have to set higher highs, because here you were not creating a higher high, and you want to be seeing this downtrend getting invalidated and of course starting a new uptrend. So for me, a level to watch is, of course, the breakthrough of the 22.7 cents here. Before then, I won't be flipping extremely bullish. No, bro, Crypto.com token, many burns like BNB. That's completely true. Crypto.com is going to burn more and more tokens once it's going further in the market. But guys, that's definitely also a thing why you do want to be exposed to it. Crypto Rover, have you seen Beta shift his street? Guys, I will be looking into it, but I also think that I'm getting fooled a little bit here. Was Peter Schiff saying that he was buying Bitcoin? He was just messing around, probably. He did tweet, okay. I will be checking it in a second, but for Crypto.com, want to see this previous high getting taken out here, because then you can invalidate the previous, then you can invalidate the downtrend, and you are setting higher highs, and you're reversing the trend on the 4-hourly once again to the upside. So let me quickly check Elon his page, because did he tweet once again? Did he did an interesting tweet? No, he did not. So I got fooled. Maybe on tweets and replies, probably here he did something. SpaceX. I know it's April's Fool Day. He was not tweeting. Elon was not tweeting, but we were seeing this Dogecoin tweet. I was spotting this right away, and of course I said, here we go again, hashtag Dogecoin. Guys, make sure to also follow me on Twitter. Will be of course very cool, because we're very close to the 4K followers. Will be of course very cool if we can reach it anytime soon here. We're just growing so quickly on the channel, and also still we're just 2 subscribers away from 29.8K, so let's see if we can reach it anytime soon. But Elon Musk did not tweet anything here. Yeah, SpaceX is going to put Dogecoin literally on the moon, and that is completely true. We are going to see Dogecoin on the moon. Of course, we are loving Dogecoin, and that is also, I am exposed to Dogecoin. Not a lot, but only the reason why I'm exposed to Dogecoin is because of a coin flip. I want to take a gamble as well, and maybe one day Dogecoin will be worth, let's say, $1 or so, or maybe you can buy, because it's Elon, maybe you can buy a Tesla with Dogecoin, and damn, guys. It's just maybe. It's just, I want to be part of the community. I want to be part of the cryptocurrency space. I want to be part of the revolution. And this is the reason why I'm holding just a minor bit of Dogecoin, just for fun purposes. I mean, I know it has 0 fundamentals, but what if, guys? It's just the big dreamer boy, you know? But yeah, look at this. We are pumping to 7 cents. I mean, $1 is is still a very nice increase, but it's 10x from here on. I mean, I'm holding it just purely for fun factors, but I mean, you don't want to be extremely overexposed to Dogecoin. I do think it's very nice to hold it for a minor bit here. If you're not exposed, I think you can just buy a minor bit into it, because you're just part of the cryptocurrency revolution, and it's the coin of the people, guys. So yeah, we were breaking critical resistance targets because of Elon, but yeah, it was basically a push to the upside because of a tweet, so you cannot really take this serious. You cannot really do TA on this one, but yeah, let's see what Dogecoin is going to do, of course. Very exciting. Crypto Rover, Skycoin is exploding. What do you think about it? Skycoin is exploding. Guys, we are seeing all kinds of coins right now exploding to the upside, and thank you also so much for smashing it up. 29.8K subscribers. Thank you so much, guys. So, what are you seeing with Skycoin? It's absolutely exploding today. Yeah, it is exploding. So, it was sitting around $3.11. It's not really exponentially growing, to be honest. It's 20%, so it is doing a good job at Trustfire. But what do I think about it? Once again, there's so many new altcoins coming on the market every single day. There are new coins getting released. It is it's pretty interesting. It's a community-owned, hardware-based peer-to-peer internet. I mean, I already peer-to-peer. Of course, Bitcoin is also peer-to-peer. I do really like. Yeah, it's good. It's good. But market cap pretty low. It's very hard to give my thoughts about this one. It's very hard to give my thoughts about all these new projects, guys. I know there are so many projects right now getting launched, and yeah, let's see what we can do. So, have to trade like a robot. Man, Crypto.com ready to pop. Yeah, it's definitely ready to pop. I'm in a short on Doge. Should I exit? I mean, why should you? Yeah, you could have entered one. You can also trade Doge on Femex, and it's quite funny. Should you exit? I mean, no financial advice. You can do whatever you want. But yeah. Guys, yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know. Yeah, you can be exiting your trade, because I don't think really shorting is a good idea in a bull market. I don't think it's a very good idea in a bull market. April Fool's Day, Doge starts soon. April Fool's Day and Doge is pumping. Is it coincidence? Yes, maybe it is. BNB is going up. So let me check BNB. Guys, I was promising to check BNB, and BNB is, yes, it is moving up. You can see Binance Coin still sitting around P3, holding on to that P3 spot, but soon it will be overtaken by Crypto.com, of course. But yeah, still holding on to this P3 spot, sitting around 51 billion in market cap. So the market cap is approximately 1/4 of Ethereum is market cap. So that's quite a lot, right? That's quite a lot. But of course, Binance is also a very big company. But what are we having here, guys? This is indeed a very nice pump for the price action of BNB, and truly lovely to see as well, because I love BNB on the channel. And if you're seeing this, that we are almost going to create a new all-time high, this is just extremely lovely to see, because we're just a few dollars away from the previous all-time high. We're just exactly 6%, and that is $20 away from the previous all-time high for the price action of BNB. So let me remove some some drawings. Let me remove the whole chart. So if you look at the next resistance levels, of course, at the top side, I do think it is very likely to see some kind of a correction coming in once reaching this target, because if you're going to reach this target, you're already, by the way, you're already on the 4-hour creating a bearish divergence over here. So this is the thing that you do want to keep in your eyes out on, because once creating a bearish divergence, you can be reversing a little bit, because yeah, it's just showing you a sign that the momentum is shifting and that you can see a minor reversal. But yeah, let's see what we are going to do, of course. I do think it's very likely to see a correction because the bearish divergence, and of course, very, very stealth, rejection point, because it's just very strong resistance. It is the previous all-time high. It's not just the level that you're going to smash through, of course. But yeah, if we're going to smash through, that will be, of course, very lovely. Have you seen the Litecoin breakout? Yeah, we were just looking to Litecoin. So, yeah, for Binance Coin, do want to be seeing this break on the top. So I don't think it's likely. I do think that we're going to get a correction. So if you're willing to long right now, I should not long at the bearish divergence on the 4-hour. I should not long once you're reaching resistance, because I see people saying in the chat, should we long BNB right now? And I'm not looking to short a long BNB at the moment. I mean, I should rather look for short, even though I'm not looking for shorts in a bull market. And you can clearly see, yes, we're still in the bull market, but correction will be very imminent for the price action of BNB. But also, we know BNB can do some very, 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 very weird stuff. Even though it is forming bearish divergence, it can go exponentially to the upside. So, yeah, be ready. Have your seatbelt on here, because it can be so that BNB is maybe heading towards for a moonshot towards the 100 billion. So it can definitely be happening anytime soon. So I don't think it necessarily has to go down. But you do want to be careful with this one, of course. You do want to be very careful right now. I see so many requests coming in, guys. This is absolutely insane. Of course, I want to discuss everything. And also having right now only 31 likes, guys. Only 31 likes, and we're reaching the 500 likes. So it will be very amazing if you're right now also smashing up these likes to 500. I do think right now watching with 1,300 people, guys, can we smash up another 31 likes? Would be, of course, very amazing. Bought BNB yesterday. Should I sell? Man, if you're buying for your holding position, this is once again a thing that I do want to make clear, because sometimes maybe I don't want to cause FUD. I don't want to cause FUD, because if you are here for your holding position, no, I should not sell. I should not sell for your holding position. This is only for the traders that I'm talking about. If you're in a long position, I should get out of it. But if you're holding, you have zero risk, because let's say you bought one BNB, it's not going to be 0.5 BNB if it's going lower. So please hold on to your BNB. Don't look to sell your BNB right now. I should never sell if you're sitting around here, because if you're holding, you have zero risk, and you know it's going to go to new all-time highs. It's just a matter of time. So please don't time the market with your holding position. Then you're getting wrecked. Yes, we smashed it up to 500 likes. Truly lovely, guys. Thank you so much. I was just asking it, and I see already some people in the chat saying, yeah, we reached it. So thank you so much for smashing it up to 500 likes. But guys, if you're in a holding position, and I don't want to cause FUD or so, but this is just more for the people that are trading. For the people that are trading, I should not look to long here. But if you're in a holding position, why should you sell? Bitcoin is pumping. Yes, guys. Let's see. Let's see. Are we going to see this breakthrough on this? Damn it, Bitcoin is truly pumping, of course. It's only a few $100s. It's approximately $200. But let's see. Yeah, Bitcoin already 59.3K. And you know it. You know it, you know it, you know it. The 59.5K is one of the strongest resistance targets for Bitcoin that we are recently trading at, guys. So Are we finally going to see this breakthrough playing out? This is definitely a thing that I am anticipating at least, and I also want to see playing out. So everyone is saying right in the chat, let's go Bitcoin and let's go, guys. So Dogecoin is better than all its Doge Day. Don't miss it. Jeremy, that's completely right. What about Polkadot? Let me check it in a second. But first, look at Bitcoin, guys. You cannot ignore Bitcoin, of course, the leader of the market and performing so strong. And always, I mean, I'm currently only in Bitcoin positions and in Ethereum positions, so for me, it would be lovely to see Bitcoin pumping a little bit more to the upside. And also, guys, looking good. Let's go, yeah. Let's go. It is indeed looking good. So, on the 4-hour, this is the true resistance target that we have to break. So, guys, can we see it live in the stream? Because the 4-hourly candles, guys, the 4-hour candle will be closing in 40 minutes. And we can still be breaking through this level in the coming 40 minutes, but we only have to show a lot of follow-through. So can we let me know real quickly in the chat, guys. Say it in the chat. Say 1 in the chat if you think that we're going to smash through the 59.4k, if we're going to smash through the 59.5k with the 4-hourly close. If we're going to close this 4-hourly around the 60k or so, we are very bullish. So say 1 in the chat if you think that we're going to break through this level on this 4-hourly candle. And say 2 in the chat if you don't think that we can smash through this level. So let me quickly know, guys. Let me quickly know what we are going to do with this 4-hourly candle. So, blood is consolidating. Yeah, I mean, we are consolidating on the resistance, guys. And always, once you are doing such a very good consolidation in the resistance, it will be blasting off. I see already the ones coming in, guys, in chat. The ones are coming in once again, and let's go. Yeah, I see a couple twos as well here. So yeah, we are having mostly ones right now in the chat. So everyone thinks that we can still smash through this resistance level on this 4-hourly close. Guys, let me know. Yeah, you guys already are already letting me know right now. So you guys think that we can close this 4-hourly candle above this resistance level. But if we are going to do so, and if you are not in a trade yet, I will be providing you a good trade setup. And of course, only at the least amount of risk, because in the end of the day, we don't want to get wrecked here. And what you can be doing here, if we can finally smash through this level, and guys, you can stop saying the ones and twos in the chat, but thank you so much for letting me know. Everyone is feeling extremely bullish on the market, and I see that just saying lots of longs are coming in right now. So this is looking very good. We can see the buy orders coming in here. This is looking particularly good here. So let's see if we can finally smash through. But guys, if we're already going to do it, we want to wait for the confirmation of the retest. If you are not waiting for the confirmation of the retest, you can just also enter a long position in such a wick. So please wait for the 4-hourly candle close. And we will be, of course, discussing this live in the stream, guys. And that is also the reason why we are growing so quickly. We're just crushing the market. And it's definitely a lovely thing to see, of course. I think we can do it, but maybe a little bit later today. That's also truly a possibility. And guys, let's say I will be for another 2 or 3 hours live, and I will be missing it, and I see something, I will be right away going live. And tomorrow, I will be making, let's say, also I will be doing 2 live streams tomorrow, I think. So looking already forward to tomorrow. Let me know if you're also looking forward to it, because if we can't break through it and still going to consolidate over here, then it will be happening tomorrow. It is just a matter of time till we're going to smash through this level and create a new all-time high, guys. It's just a matter of time. I went long with a 50x. That's truly a big candle. And guys, let me know who's also right doing the training competition. If you're with your 50x, I truly love to see you, of course, game, because maybe you can also help the team here a little bit here, because yeah, we are looking to go back to P1. We're heading towards P1, guys. We're right now sitting approximately 40% away from P2. At least go for P2, but of course we are only happy with the P1. I'm not happy if we're going to reach P2, and still we have another 5 days, guys. Still have enough time to crush these other guys here in the training competition. Right now sitting around 90% team average. Guys, we're doing such a good job as a team. We're sitting around 90% as a team average. We're just doing extremely good. We're just doing extremely good. And if you want to join us with these trades, you can definitely sign up with Femex as well. Or if you want to sign up with Bybit, you can also find it in the referral in the description right away. Loving the long live streams. Of course, guys, I always try and do the most... longs live streams here on the cryptocurrency space. I watch too much. Formula One. That's completely true. I watch a lot of Formula One. Even though I was very mad last Sunday, I still love it. 25x at 58.6k. Yeah, you're doing a good job, bro. But at least at your, because 58.6k, we can still head towards the level. But you're already doing a very strong job. The chat is too fast. Thoughts on Bitcoin Gold? I mean, I don't like these Bitcoin copies. I don't like Bitcoin copies. Just like Bitcoin Cash. It has. It is now a thing that I'm invested in. hit the likes, guys, if you haven't done it yet. So yeah, make sure to hit the likes as well. It would be, of course, very amazing. Yeah, we're just crushing it, guys. Bitcoin moving a little bit more to the higher levels. So let me also flip it on to the 50-minute. See if we are forming some kind of divergence on the price action of Bitcoin. So yeah, what you can be looking at is maybe a possibility for a resistance line. And let me get another chart in front of me that is completely clear. So guys, there is a possibility that we can be looking, that we are forming right now this resistance line to the downside. So let me know. This is quite significant, this resistance line here. You can see multiple touches and also just looking for some patterns to maybe possibly play at. So it was very likely, if you look to this, that we are getting rejected. Of course, it doesn't seem really weird, but yeah, we have almost, this is the 4th touch. So you have 1, 2, 3, and this is the 4th touch. So the more times you're touching such a level of resistance, the more likely it will be that you're going to smash through it. So Shane is saying the top 3 is still is quality still. Yeah, I mean, if we're becoming P3, of course, I will be still happy with it, because the higher we're going to end. I mean, in the top 10, it's already a good job, because our team is approximately the 5th biggest. So actually, we have to stay P5 if you look to the people that are in the team. But yeah, we're already sitting around P4, so we're doing already a good job. But I mean, at least in the top 3, I want to at least enter in the top 3. So of course, looking forward to these trades, guys. Going to crush it all together, and especially if you guys also, because right now 2 trades, 2 accounts here. The CR is live, is my account, and this account is also from me. So yeah. Make sure to also edit your name so we can see if you have your chat name and you also do it here on Fibonacci, you can edit your name if you go to your account settings. Would be, of course, very cool, because then you can see who is in the team. And I see here Jacko is over here as well. There are multiple guys here. Chris R, probably also in the chat right now. So pretty cool that you guys are also changing your name, because then we can just see you who is in the team and who is performing very good. And you have to know if you're in the top 10 of the team, you're getting more bonuses, you're getting more percentage. If you're outside of the top 10, you're getting a little bit less. So yeah, I mean, the higher the top 10 is, the higher the team average will be. So let's see if we can do it together. If you don't know exactly how it works, you can still read the rules here. But we will be going into the rules. That's boring. Of course, it is very important to read, though. It is very important to read. Visa transactions now done by Ethereum miners. That's completely true. It will be passing through. Yeah, let's see. Let's see if we can pass through this extremely very important resistance target that we are trading at right now. Do you think Litecoin will reach 1K? I don't. It's not out of the books for this coming bull run. Litecoin can definitely reach the 1K in this bull run. It's not out of the books. It's only a 5x. It's only a 5x, and alt season is not here. Is not here yet. When is the next competition? Elder, I truly don't know, but once doing another competition, of course, guys, we will be only, this is the first competition that we are doing as a team, and the next competition will be only going better, because we're having more experience, because it was also the first competition that I was participating, and I was also making some rookie mistakes for the competition, because I was adding more to my position, while I got screwed over, etc. So, next competition, once doing so, we'll be only building a stronger and stronger team, guys. The P&L in the competition is confusing me. How do you mean? It's not very... I don't know. What is confusing you? Let me know real quickly. Can you explain me when to take a long? Yeah, of course, for Bitcoin, I should wait on the sidelines, because yes, you can be looking at this symmetrical triangle here, but if you're really looking to trade some Bitcoins, I should wait a little bit longer. I should wait a little bit longer until you're going to see a clear breakthrough of the 59.5k here, and if you're going to see this 4-hourly candle close above this line, you can be opening this one on the retest. So Titanic, thank you for donating to the channel. You're saying I've learned so much from your content, and it was also helpful and made me do much better trades. Thank you for all you do, sir. You are much appreciated, and you really reached to my heart. Thank you so much for letting me know, of course. Very nice to know. Very nice to know. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. Ethereum bull flag on the 1 hour. Let's look at Ethereum. You're calling a bull flag on the 1 hour. Of course, we were not looking to the lower time frames yet, but I don't really call this a bull flag. You cannot see. This is not bull flag. This is more consolidation, sideways consolidation. It's maybe an ascending triangle. Ascending triangle is maybe a better thing to call over here, because you can see you have horizontal resistance and you have upward sloping support. So it is more a horizontal, sorry, it's more an ascending triangle here. Of course, not a very stealth support line, but yeah, you're creating resistance over here, support over here. It's looking like you can be breaking out of this anytime soon here. But first, for Ethereum on the 1 hour, I want to see this this hourly candle close above this resist line, because you only create wicks on the top side. thoughts on Chromia? Should I move it? Should I move it? Trustfire, let me know. What do you want to move in or do you want to move out? BTC bull flag break on the 1 hour. So you were all spotting some bull flags. I mean, the point of a bull flag, like this is a good significant bull flag. This is a good significant bull flag over here. You can see over here it's a very good significant bull flag because you have a stealth run up and then you're consolidating. This is more of a falling wedge, baby. But yeah, you can see, yeah, this is more of a, you can call this a bull flag or like you can see, support and resistance, horizontal support, downward sloping support line, downward sloping resistance line. This is a clear bull flag. But right now what you're having over here is not a stealth run-up. This is not a stealth run-up, so I won't be calling this a bull flag, and I don't think it also has a significant breakout target, so no, I won't be calling that bull flag. So 30 more minutes, guys. Can we still see another push-up getting created? And you know, always, once we're going into these end stages of this 4-hourly close, we're usually seeing loads and loads of volatility returning into the market. So are we going to see this volatility return for Bitcoin? I certainly love to see it and also hope to see it because I think, of course, once we're seeing this huge volatility returning into the market, we can be seeing very nice gains to be made. We can see very nice gains to be made. Inverse and the shoulders. Yes, we were looking at the inverse and the shoulders. You can see over here, guys, we were looking at the inverse and the shoulders. You can also call this maybe, I can even extend this one a little bit here, of course, that's even better. You can also call this on a cup and handle, but guys, this is of course on a 4-hourly candles. And I always tell you guys, the bigger the time frame is, the more significance it will be showing. And this is of course a huge time frame. The 4-hour, huge pattern, huge inverse and the shoulders, huge significance. And this will be of course very, very bullish. This will be very bullish, and this is also my reason why I do want to be saying to you guys, please, if you are in short positions, you are going to get wrecked. You're going to get wrecked if you're right now in a short, and I don't want you guys to be shorting the market at the moment. Okay, of course, sometimes once you're reaching resistance, it's likely to see a correction. But right now, you're consolidating under resistance. You're forming this inverse and the shoulders. You're forming this cup and handle scenario. It is just extremely bullish at the moment. So if you're looking to enter position already, yes, you can open your long position already. But once you're doing so, I should only enter with low leverage because then you're basically having the least amount of risk. But yeah, what we are having at the moment for Bitcoin, yes, we're going to see a stealth breakout. Yes, we're going to see a new all-time high getting created anytime soon here. I do think tomorrow can be also quite a bullish day here. The Friday, I don't want to see Bitcoin setting a new all-time high in the weekend, to be honest, guys. I don't want to be seeing that because then probably the strength won't be enough here and probably a lot of manipulation will be going on in the weekend. So don't want to be seeing a new all-time high getting created in the weekend, but I do want to see it, of course, already tomorrow maybe getting created, and then on the Saturday and Sunday cooling off for a second, and then we can be pushing up. So yeah, I feel very excited for the coming week. Also the week after, guys, the days are only getting more and more exciting, and we will be, of course, streaming every single move that Bitcoin is going to make, and we will be also, of course, taking the most amount of trades for Bitcoin. So also the crypto factor. Your opinion on XRP? I believe we need to break the 72 cents and clarify. I would rather buy back higher. But if you answer, sorry. But if you answer, I will be using this clip in a video just to say thank you if you don't want me to. So, to Crypto Factor, thank you so much for supporting the channel. And if you're already familiar with the channel, I'm not a huge fan of XRP, but a thing here, what I'm seeing at the moment, I already looked at the charts, and if you zoom out here, let's go to the daily candles, and if you zoom out here for the price action of XRP, if you zoom out a bit, you can see this looks quite similar over here, right? This looks quite similar. You can see. We are consolidating. We're setting lower highs here. We're setting lower highs, higher lows. We're doing exactly the same, right? So I don't. You first have to know. I don't really like XRP because I don't like the lawsuit, etc. What's going on? But I do think what is very likely to see going on, what is very likely to see what XRP is going to do here, is that we are going to do exactly the same. We're going to exactly do the same. We're going to probably go to new all-time highs here. We're going to $3 or so. I'm not really exposed to it, but I'm willing to open a very low leverage trade because, of course, this potential reward can be very high. But this looks so similar. Guys, can't you see the coincidence? Can't you see the two things coming together? And you have to know, I don't like XRP, but the chart is looking extremely bullish right now. So, man, I do think XRP can be blasting off to the upside. And you're saying, what is your opinion that we have to break the 72 cents? Yes, 72 cents will be, of course, a very important level because this is also this previous high over here. And if I set up a Fibonacci, let me set up this Fibonacci over here. So this real level that you do want to be breaking, in my opinion, because this is the big Fibonacci from the bigger time frame, is really the level around the 0.236, and that is approximately around the 86 cents here. So 86 cents will be the very strong level that you do want to be breaking. So yeah, looking forward to it, bro. But I do think you can see on the daily as well, you're creating a consolidation pattern, you're creating a symmetrical triangle. You're going to see a very stealth breakout anytime soon here for the price action of XRP. And I do think it can be exactly the same like you did over here. It can be a very exponential growth. And make sure to record it, because then you can thank me later on. So I don't really like it, but I do think that probably XRP is going to grow exponentially. I think it will be growing exponentially, because also, just if you look to it, XRP right this thing around P7, it was also always fighting for P2 as etc. That's pretty stuff. That's a pretty let's say a 15x if it is willing to go back to this position. Of course, I don't think that it really is going to do so, because the institutions are not really buying it. But if you look to historic data, it is looking very good for XRP. So Jacob Williams, thank you for supporting the channel. You are saying, let me quickly check what you're saying here, because Bitcoin is still, I will have to zoom in a little bit here. I see Bitcoin is still fighting around this level. So you're saying, evening Raver, but I will be saying Rover, you're crushing the market. Thank you so much. You're saying, can you please take a look at PNT, Police Mate, and your TA? Love your brother. You have so many fans here in Perth. I don't know what Perth. It's probably a place in Australia. So, of course, very cool that I have so many fans over there. And thank you so much for supporting the channel. But yeah, let me check PNT. And I see a spammer in the chat here. Right away getting blocked. So, PNT, let me quickly look it up. Do we have it on TradingView? I truly hope so. Yes, we have. So, PNT is here on TradingView. Let me take another sip of my coffee. Even though it's already cold, guys, I still want to drink my coffee. Australia. I already thought so. I already thought it was in Australia. So yeah, what is this coin doing? Let me remove everything. Damn, look at this spike to the upside. This is an insane spike to the upside. Let me also quickly set up this this Fibonacci over here. So right now we can spot some extension levels, guys. So if we look to this scenario, you can see maybe it's better to set up this over here. So you can see over here, we have this very important gray box that we do want to be breaking. If we are breaking this gray box, we can be possibly heading towards higher levels. But you can see already, what you do want to be spotting higher the new resistance targets, right? So for me, this has way more potential, this coin, because it's right now not starting to go parabolic. And usually you're trading with the trend, and it's not going parabolic, but it will be going parabolic anytime soon. It's just exactly this is a new coin that came on the market on February. I'm saying something incorrectly. It's already around here since the 20th of June. So yeah, it is performing very good. It is a huge run up, then cooled off. But the market structure is looking good. Even though that you are creating some bearish divergence here. Let me flip it to the daily. Yeah, the daily is probably very likely to create bearish divergence, because it was sitting around the 87 in the RSI index here in February. And of course, February was the very strong move for the altcoins. And I do want to be seeing another move up getting created here. Perth is West Australia. I live only 250 kilometers away. So that's cool. West Australia. I mean, one thing that I do want to say about Australia, because I truly love it, only the animals that live over there. That's, I mean, the snakes, the spiders. I see the news coming by, but the spiders, they are so insane that I'm living in the Netherlands, and of course in the Netherlands there are no very highly infected spiders, etc. But in Australia, really hardcore. True respect. Loving to see it, of course, you guys coming to the channel from all over the world. That's yes, that's one of the most loveliest things that I can, of course, wish for, that you guys are watching here. And truly lovely. I still want to thank you for everyone who's right now watching the stream. Truly thankful that you are tuning in. But yeah, looking at the score, you're basically setting higher lows each and every time. And you're also forming maybe an uptrend here. You're forming two tops. So maybe if you're having another touch over here, you can call this an ascending triangle, because then you have enough significance to call this one. Whoa, what is this? My PC was saying that it was going to do an automatic update, so I cancelled it. Hopefully it's not going to do it in 1 hour or so, because then Ethereum goes out of nowhere. You know what happened. But yeah, this is PNT. tops getting created. Do want to be seeing this breakthrough of this level, and if we are going to smash through this level, yeah, the next extension levels, of course, are the $3.60. The next extension level, $5.20. So we will be looking for the extension levels once breaking this level. And I do think that we can be looking for these levels anytime soon here. And if you're holding this one, I think you can gain way more, because it is looking like that you're reversing the downtrend into an uptrend once again, setting higher lows each and every time. Let's see if we can break through this level, and of course go parabolic once again. It's looking good for you who are holding. So I thought, yeah, we got another super chat from Jonathan. So Jonathan, thank you so much for donating. You're saying, what are your thoughts on Vitor? Guys, I want to be looking at the chat as well. Give me a second, because I don't only want to go into the super chats, but of course, once someone is sending a super chat, I will be first reacting to it. Vitor, it's not on. It is not on. Let me check it. VTHO is for. It is on here. I know it. I watched to VTHO multiple times. So the crypto factor once again donating. We'll be going into your donation in a second. But yeah, we were watching this coin, VTHO, and I was calling it up once again on this one. So of course, if you're already familiar with the channel, recently we were seeing these coins, of course, growing so exponentially to the upside, and it was calling for some coins that were probably going to create an all-time high. I mean, that were probably going to cool off for a second. And VTHO is once again exactly the same, because what you were seeing with VTHO was basically very likely to see also with other coins. You were creating a bearish divergence on the daily. And always once you're creating bearish divergence on these high time frames, you want to be careful. But what you are seeing right here, and it will be removing this Fibonacci line real quickly, and also this horizontal line, you can see that we were first finding resistance, and here you were finding support. So this is of course lovely to see. And because you're finding support over here, I do think that we're not going to smash through this level very quickly, but we're probably going to bounce from off this level on the 4-hourly time frame. Maybe we'll be taking a well here, maybe it will be taking some consolidation, but I do think that you will be moving up. But in the end of the day, I think it's a little bit too overextended. This parabolic run up already ended. You can see one move, two move, maybe there's still a third move in place, but I don't really think so. The 4-hourly RSI is getting oversold. So yeah, you do want to be very careful in my opinion. I do think it's very likely to see a consolidation. And guys, damn it, we're getting so many super chats. I will be, of course, going into everything. I mean, I say damn it, but of course, I truly love it. But so many super chats coming in. We'll also want to look at Bitcoin in a second. But first, the crypto factory. Thank you for the donation. You're saying any chance that you can repeat it? Because I didn't record the volume through my desktop. And it's through my microphone, lol. OBS, YouTube, nightmare. Can you use... So I can use it for video. Of course, you can use it for video. But yeah, what I'm repeating, I will be saying it once again for you, my friend. Of course, you were you're asking for it. You can also just go back in the video. But yeah, what I'm basically saying, looking at the daily time frame of XRP, bro, we're going to do the exact same that we did over here. So what we are having over here is also symmetrical triangle getting formed on the daily. We're not doing anything where Ethereum was pumping at the time and XRP was not doing anything interesting. And we're just seeing the exact same here. New cycle, 4 years later, we're probably going to see an exponential growth once again. And make sure to clip this one, because probably not a lot of people are talking about it. And even though I don't exactly like XRP, I do still think that we're probably going to see this insane spike to the upside. So hopefully it was well enough for you. Okay, use your video if you want to, and I do think that we can be maybe heading towards $3.30 once again anytime soon for XRP. So let me check it. Swipe SXP here. Swipe SXP. So yeah, what is about this coin? What is about this coin? So I want to be looking at it, of course. Let me set up a new Fibonacci, because this chart was pretty chaotic. So yeah, we are of course trying to fight back here. It looks like we're right now watching at the daily candles, of course, for this coin. This is for SXP here. You can see we are forming some kind of a V-shaped recovery. So we're recovering very quickly once again in the same pace that we were falling. So this is of course looking very good. And you're finding through each and every Fibonacci level on the daily. So you can see a lot of significance in these levels. You're getting rejected by the top side, supported on the lower side. So yeah, what you're basically having, you're generally in an uptrend. So that's of course very lovely to see. You're setting higher lows if you look to this trend over here. And for me, do want to be seeing this breakthrough of the $5. Exactly $5 was the level that we were getting stopped out of. And if we really want to call this a very good uptrend, we first want to see this break of the previous all-time high, seeing a retest of it, and then you can be, of course, looking for the extension levels around the $7.70. But for now on, we still have some resistance to clear. $4 already the level that we got rejected by. Do want to be seeing this level getting touched once again, even though that you're creating huge bearish divergence over here, and probably once you're going higher, you're going to create another bearish divergence. So the buying strength is right now cooling off for this coin, where we are still going up. So maybe it is likely to see consolidation for a long period of time on the daily. So yeah, let's see what we're going to do. But the RSI is just indicating that we're going to cool off. But I do think with the bull market right now ongoing for Bitcoin, and we're going to close the 4-hourly candle in 15 minutes, guys, for Bitcoin. Let's check it in a second. But yeah, let's see what we're going to do. I do think consolidation is first likely, no V-shaped recovery. I mean, it's not out of the books, but we're going to create very, very big bearish divergence. So you do want to be careful. So Martin also tuning into the chat, and you're saying, hey dude, please can you look at audio and one for me. So we just checked one. I will be looking at audio for you. Audio looks close to breakout. I think I might be wrong. So Martin, let me check audio. I mean, a lot of people are talking about audio. Have not looked into it, and you're saying it's very close to a breakout. And for me, what I can see over here, Martin, this is once again a thing that I want to be saying. This is a coin that grew exponentially. You can see it is going up, and in the end of the day, it's going parabolic. So here it went parabolic, and what you're having with audio, and I know a lot of people are anticipating this coin. So a lot of people are talking about it, but please, you don't want to buy the tops. You don't want to buy the tops, and what you are having here is just exponential growth, and you're right now rejecting the parabolic growth. So for me, it looks like that we're probably going to cool off for a second. So the daily RSI is maybe ready for another leg up here. That's true. We can be seeing another bounce to the upside getting created, where I don't think it's likely. I think in the immediate short term, yes, we're probably going to bounce, and you're calling a breakout, and truly, I don't really see very significant levels of support coming into play right now, because you're basically trading at levels where you haven't traded for a long period of time. So I mean, you haven't. This is literally in price discovery, and you don't have a lot of information about this. And I do think it can also fall very quickly. It is not looking like you're really going to bounce anytime soon. And I do think this is also the top of the parabolic run. So probably it can be setting a new all-time high, but just needs some consolidation, because on the daily, it is getting pretty overextended. On the weekly, it is extremely overextended. On the monthly, it's extremely overextended. So monthly has not even information about it. So yeah, man, I don't really call clear support targets. I don't really see clear support targets. The one support target that I can be looking at is maybe this target over here. You have previous resistance, can possibly flip into support, but for now it's not looking extremely bullish, to be honest. It's looking to cool off. So Zach also donated, and you are saying, Rovake, please check Ori Chain. Ori Chain, after this, guys, we'll be going into Bitcoin and Ethereum, because I want to give you guys an update about Bitcoin and Ethereum as well. Ethereum/ADA, yeah, we'll be going out as well in ADA. Hey, Rob, can you check? Yeah, we'll be going to Ethereum in a second, guys. First, we'll be checking this Ori Chain real quickly. Ori Chain token. So, what we are having with Ori Chain, let me flip to the 4-hour. This is really very hard to give my thoughts about, because there's not a lot of information ongoing. But yeah, one thing that I can be saying to you is that you're trading at support. So it is looking like that you're trading at support, and you do want to be having more information to really call a pattern or to see a trend. But right now we're not having a very nice trend, to be honest. You cannot really give my very good opinion about this one. The only thing that you can be seeing here is that you're having a downtrend getting created, horizontal support line. Probably looks like a descending triangle. Descending triangles are very bearish, and you can see a breakdown. Of course, we're still in the bull market, so descending triangles can still also break to the upside. So yeah, it really depends how we are going to see where it will be breaking towards. So yeah, breakdown will be of course very bearish, but then we are probably heading towards the $17 or $16. But if you're going to move up, $60 is still on the play. But bro, very hard to give my thoughts about this one. Very hard to give my thoughts about this one. And it looks like for Bitcoin, quickly going into Bitcoin, it looks like that Bitcoin probably not going to close this 4-hourly candle above this resistance target around to 59.4K, guys. But we're still 12 minutes away from closing this 4-hourly candle, and it's only $500. And you know it's Bitcoin. Bitcoin can also dump 3K in just a matter of 5 minutes, so it can also pump 3K in just a matter of 5 minutes. It's Bitcoin. It's really volatile, and usually these last 10 minutes are very, very interesting for the price action of Bitcoin. So also Sulta donated. Sorry if I say your name incorrectly. You're saying, good day, sir. Anything bullish about HBAR, Hashgraph? There is a Coinbase listing rumor. So I mean, you do want to buy your rumors and you want to sell the news, right? So if there are some very good rumors going on and you truly believe in it, of course, no financial advice, you can buy into it. So let me check also on the chart of H-bar, because also H-bar is performing also pretty good. But I was already very scared if you look to the price section of H-bar, because it is forming, first of all, a lower high. It's forming a lower high. So it looks like the stealth uptrend is cooling down for now. The stealth uptrend is cooling down because you are just losing the strength to the upside. And I do think that we can be cooling off for a second here, in my opinion. So what we are having here, also creating a lower high in the RSI. So the RSI is not looking particularly bad, but I do think it's going to consolidate. It's going to create a pattern here. There's a high likelihood that we're probably going to see a new all-time high getting created anytime soon. And especially if you're saying if these rumors are true, if there really is going to be Coinbase listing, of course, Coinbase looking to list more and more projects once we're going further and further. And once you're getting listed on Coinbase, usually these coins are pumping very quickly to the upside. So that is, of course, very good. And you want to buy the rumors. You want to sell the news. So if you're buying right now, I mean, you're not doing a bad job. You're probably buying into very bullish consolidation, because this really looks like bullish consolidation on the 4-hour. You can see a symmetrical triangle game is right now printed, and probably we're going to see this breakout anytime soon here. Of course, it can also maybe take another week or so before this consolidation is done, but the longer we're going to consolidate, the more significant the breakout will be. So H-bar is looking good, my friend. So Name is saying, could you please check DIA? Of course I can. Of course I can. Then check Peter Shift his Twitter. It's funny. Okay, we'll be going into Peter Shift's Twitter in a second. Give me a sec. I will be going into it in a second. It's already loading up, guys. I will be having some very entertainment days here. Very entertaining hours. So, can you please check DIA? And of course I can check DIA. And this is very interesting what we are having with the price section of DIA, because we are looking like we're finally crushing through this very critical level that we couldn't break through here. So, if you look to this horizontal resistance target, and we'll be making this a little bit more thicker. But guys, look at this horizontal upward sloping. I say horizontal, but look at this upward sloping resistance target. You can see multiple touches, a touch over here, and right now we are crushing through it. So at first you got rejected, but right now a move to the upside, and then you are having the perfect and exactly perfect retest. So in my opinion, this is looking very strong for this coin. So let's see what we can be doing here. Let's see if we can definitely head towards newer highs. That will be, of course, very lovely to see. And if I set up this very quick Fibonacci extension level, you can see we had also some struggles to break through this level over here. And are we going to smash it through the $5.16? It can definitely be happening anytime soon. So it is it is looking good here. Finally flipping support, previous resistance into support. And thank you, Dean Harvey, for blocking him. We will be looking into BRT Shift in a second. Give me a moment. But yeah, can you check on DIA? DIA is looking very good, bro. Immediate short term, probably going to bounce to the upside. Going to find some resistance around $5.16. But in the end of the day, we want to be crushing through this level. So we're going to have some fun, guys. We're going to have some fun. I was wrong about Bitcoin 1 hour ago. I was not even reading Twitter because, of course, we were doing this stream. I was going into the charts. So the trend is just getting started. I expect the dollar share to fall record low by the end of the year, collapse much lower in the years ahead. So this is a thing. I will be liking it. I know it's probably because it's April Fool's Day, but he is saying something what is right, something what is true. He's saying it finally. It's really lovely to see. I was wrong about Bitcoin, and I mean, yes, you was wrong about Bitcoin, but why you are going to say it on April 1st? Why are you going to say it on April the 1st? You could have said this already 2 or 3 years ago, but you were still buying your gold. Yes, you're. Yeah, guys. I mean, what can I say about this? What can I say about it? Yes, he is wrong. But I only don't like it that he's posting this one on April 1st, because probably Peter Shift is very bearish on Bitcoin, and he's saying Bitcoin is going to zero, etc., because he gets attention. And this probably gets him a lot of attention once again. So probably he's going to say tomorrow, oh, I was joking around, Bitcoin is S, Bitcoin is S. But yeah, I mean, I don't really care about this guy. This guy is only here to gain audience, to make, yeah, just he is bearish so he can gain more audience. So please, I'm not really surprised about it. I mean, I don't really like him. So what's the best website to trade? Really depending on what you use. I mean, I use a lot of Femix and Bybit, so you can find the referral links in the description. But I think Femix is definitely the one that I love right now. So if you go to the if you're already looking to pay the shift this tweet, you can also right now follow us as well here on Twitter. Would be of course very cool. Let me know if you let's do a tweet maybe today. Would be of course very cool. Would be very cool. And I mean earlier today I was saying this. Buying Bitcoin under the 60K is still a cheap buy. And I was saying this, as you can see it also over here. I was only tweeting this because let's say in a year or let's say in 4 years, I can retweet this tweet and I can say to you, everyone who's subscribed on the channel in 4 years or so, I can say to everyone, I told you so. And that is for everyone who's still sitting on the sidelines right now. I will be saying, I told you so in 4 years because you can still buy cheap Bitcoin. And Bitcoin is not expensive. I mean, once Bitcoin was crushing through the previous all-time high around 20K, people were not willing to buy Bitcoin because they thought it was way too expensive. But 20K was just the starting of the bull run. So is it still too late to buy Bitcoin? No, it's still not too late to buy Bitcoin. And that is also the reason why I made this tweet, so I can tell everyone I told you so. And that's definitely the thing I will be doing here. So guys, please don't get wrecked here. Get exposed to Bitcoin if you haven't already. And I see also a new like came in, so it's really lovely. But I will be saying I told you so. I will be saying I told you so in the coming years to that tweet, and that's the reason why I tweeted about that. That is the reason. Bitcoin to 100K soon. Yeah, it's just a matter of time. Bitcoin is going to zero. Oh damn! When it drops zero, Bitcoin is going to zero. Peter Schiff, his son, sold all his gold and bought Bitcoin. I mean, that's really lovely. I know that's probably a meme, but I mean. Why should you hold? Of course, gold is not a bad asset to hold. I'm not saying it's bad to hold. But the true superior asset is, of course, Bitcoin. And guys, one more quick thing that I want to be saying here is that we're just so close to 30K. Can we reach it right now live in the stream? That would be, of course, very amazing if we can do so. Because right now we are exactly 32 more subscribers away from the 29.9K here. But the point here is, if we're going to reach the 30K live in the stream, I will be giving away 3 Litecoins, guys. I will be giving away 3 Litecoins live in the stream. So can we right now all smash it up? Because then we can already give it away. And I certainly want to give something back to you guys. So going to give away 3 Litecoin. Make sure to get subscribed right now because I told you guys, everyone who was already earlier at the channel, and I told everyone who subscribed at the 28K or so, I said to everyone, make sure to smash up the bell notification because once we're reaching the 30K, I will be doing the live giveaway. I will be only doing it live. So you can only participate the giveaway if you're in the live stream. So make sure to right now get subscribed because then we can maybe already do it in just a matter of an hour or maybe a matter of 30 minutes or so. So looking forward to it. Looking forward to it at all times. So 132 more subscribers. I mean, it's right now only 126. So it's going very quickly, guys. Let's see if we can do it. Let's see if we can do the giveaway. Right now 114. Guys, it's going absolutely fast. I know, not 30. I said 3. I said 3. Subscribe. Thank you so much for your subscription. Smash the subscriber button, guys. If we can reach. I'm 3 Litecoin. Yes, I'm not kidding. I'm not making a joke. I'm going to announce the winners also live in the stream, so it's no scammers. So I mean, I do more giveaways, and of course you guys know it. Always doing these real giveaways. Because short time, man. Why should you short? And we're even 1 subscriber below the 29.9K here. We're just smashing it up so quickly. Thank you so much, Warrior, for subscribing to the channel. We're just smashing it up right now. We're doing a very good job. We're doing a very good job. So let's see what we're going to do here. Let me check it. Oh, wait. Oh, no, wait a second. So we just smashed it up to 29.9K, guys. We are just exactly 90 subscribers away. We are 90 subscribers away before giving away the 3 Litecoin and of course also reaching the insane target. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I truly love it. Let me quickly get it. Oh, damn. Oh, it's going even more. It's going even faster. It's going even faster. So I'm already looking at my account. Let me see on which account. I think I have it on Femix here. Litecoin. Oh yeah, I have it on Femix. So I will be, of course, announcing the winner, and probably yeah, I will be announcing the winner also live in the stream. I don't know exactly how we'll be doing it, so we'll be giving away the Litecoins. I think I will be just making real quickly a Discord server, and everyone can let me know if you have some very good ideas to give it away. Because if I have to add 10 people each and every time in the live stream chat, it won't be really good working. So I think I will be just asking everyone his Litecoin address. So make sure to already get your Litecoin address in play, guys. Because then I will be just picking, I think I will be just picking 10 random Litecoin addresses for in the live chat, guys. So make sure to already get your Litecoin address, because then I will be just randomly picking some guys. And of course, probably everyone can spam it, and I will be just randomly picking someone. But not yet here, not yet, not yet. The Litecoin giveaway is not here yet. And I'm also going to dispatch it live in the stream. So yeah, make sure to... So I will be showing it's a real giveaway, because we're not doing these fake stuff, of course. We're not doing these fake stuff. So looking forward to give these 3 Litecoins away to 10 people, guys. Make sure... Now, I will be random picker Google. No, I will be just doing it. Everyone can spam it, and I will be just stopping in the chat. And then I will be giving away to 10 people. I will be sending 0.3 Litecoin each and every time, 10 times. So, hi, man. Thank you for supporting the nation. You're saying, can you already look at Ethereum? So... I will be looking at Ethereum. Give me a second. Quickly setting this up here. I will be setting this up. I have to get some Litecoins in. Have to buy some real quickly. Because I already want to set it up, because I don't want to. Let me set this up, because Litecoin, of course, very cheap transactions, and that's the reason why we are doing Litecoin. So yeah, make sure to keep an eye on. I will be having 3 points. Let's see. I will be doing 3.1 Litecoin. That's better. So already setting it up, guys, to give away some Litecoins. Already looking forward to it. I mean, we're by the way only 60 more subscribers away. But let's check Ethereum, because who was it? It was Hyman. Oh, please don't spam it yet here. Don't spam it in chat. Don't spam it in chat yet. Come on, guys. Still have to wait a little bit longer. If you're spamming already, you're getting blocked. So please don't do so. Please don't do so. I will be announcing once we're doing it. So you were telling me, please look at Litecoin. So sorry, please look at Ethereum. And we also closed the 4-hourly candle, guys. That's absolutely insane to see, of course. But what we are right now having for the price action of Litecoin. I'm saying Litecoin once again, but what we are right now having for the price action of Ethereum is, of course, very exciting. We are right now forming a bearish divergence on the 1 hour, so this is a thing that you do want to be careful for, because you're creating a lower high in the RSI, but you're still creating a higher high in the 1 hourly chart. So this is showing me, yeah, we are in a bearish divergence, and we can probably see a minor reversal anytime soon. So I do think Ethereum will be going absolutely nuts to the upside, because I think we can just invalidate this bearish divergence anytime soon here. And guys, by the way, only 60 more subscribers and we're going to reach it. So we're very close right now before reaching the 30K, and we can do the giveaway. But for Ethereum right now, what we are having over here is consolidation, and right now we're breaking out already of this ascending triangle. So don't be fooled, because we can still create this wick on the top side, just like we did over here. 2 wicks on the top side. So it's not confirmed yet here. We just opened this new 1 hourly candle, so we still have to wait a little bit longer. Still have to wait a little bit longer till we're seeing the confirmation, but also creating this bearish divergence, do want to be careful. But let's see if we can create more volatility here, because then we're, of course, going to smash it up even higher. And if you look at the possible price target, it can be $2,000 and $2,000, guys, for the price action of Ethereum will be massive psychological resistance. And people, I need this Litecoin. You can't say it yet. 60 more. No, it's even 55, guys. 55 more subscribers. Let me get it right now also in the screen. Let me get it right now also in the screen. Do you want me? Yeah, I do want to get it into the screen. Let me get it into the screen. Let me figure it out how I can get it good in the screen. So I will be getting this into the screen real quickly, so you can see it as well. Oh damn, guys! Oh, it's going so quickly. 50 more subscribers. So we will be, of course, looking at this as well, because once reaching the 30K, we will be doing the giveaway. But yeah, Ethereum, showing more volatility right now, showing more volatility, and that's of course the thing that we are loving to see. But yeah, you're creating a bearish divergence. Want to be careful. Litecoin, please. Yeah, everyone is saying. Okay, I will be checking Litecoin as well. Oh damn it, it's going so quickly, guys. I'm getting so excited. Let me quickly check Litecoin because we're going to give away Litecoin, right? So hopefully it's going to increase more in valuation. So already another $4 increasement. Looking forward to it. Guys, the Litecoin giveaway is very close. Let's do it. Let's do it. I'm looking forward to it. Looking forward to it. Can we do it? Can we do it? I'm from Grayscale. That's very cool. I don't think that's really true. But the point here is, people are seeing Litecoin right now boosting up to the upside. People are saying, look at Litecoin. But the true opinion, of course, the last 4 hourly candle was very nice here. So we're seeing a nice approximately 5% increasement of price. But what we want to see here for in the end of the day, what we want to be seeing for the price action of Litecoin is first this breakthrough of this critical level of this resist line. And this is also providing you the bullish breakout target. So if we can break through this level, and of course having a very nice retest on it, and everyone is saying it, and that we are very close. Going parabolic, yeah, it's absolutely insane, guys. So yeah, if we can break through this level, and have a retest, yeah, the price target can be quite shocking here. It can be a $300 Litecoin, and of course that's approximately a move from where we are right now of 48% here. So I think it's definitely worth it to hold some Litecoin right now because it is looking like that we're going to see a massive breakout of this symmetrical triangle anytime soon here, guys. Oh damn, only 36 more subscribers before doing the 3 Litecoin giveaway. So getting very exciting. Green dot on 4 hourly. This is very good. You're making me want to buy Litecoin. I mean, we're going to give it away. So yeah, you don't have to buy it. If you are winning it, of course, you're always. And the point here is, what would be very cool if you're winning the Litecoin. And let me check it. 0.3 Litecoin. That is approximately. I'm giving away. Let's see. That's $70 per person. So this is of course very lovely. Hopefully you're going to enjoy it. Hopefully you're going. Sorry, I say 70. It's $60 a person. So we're going to give away $60 to 10 persons. So what I would love to see, that you're just going to hold the Litecoin, because then you're going to make more of it. Because right now it's only $60, but you can make of the $60 that I gave you for free even more. But guys, only 30 more subscribers right now. 30 more subscribers, and we can do this giveaway. So sorry that I may be talking a little bit too much about it. Oh, Bitcoin is reversing a little bit, so we do want to be looking at Bitcoin, of course. I mean, Bitcoin dump. Please don't say Bitcoin dumping in the chat. People are freaking out of Bitcoin, but nothing all too much interesting is happening right now for Bitcoin. We're just consolidating around this level. We're just moving up and down. Of course, we did not break through this level on the previous 4 hourly candle, but right now, yes, we are just still in consolidation. It's nothing to worry about at the moment. I think Bitcoin is still doing good here. Consolidating around these levels is just still very bullish. So can you check Cody, please? Of course, Kuba. And after Cody, I will be going back into Bitcoin, because then probably we can be doing the giveaway. So what are we having with Cody right now? I will be removing the chart real quickly. You can see, oh damn it, guys, only 20 more subscribers. But you can see right now, we're sloping, resistance line, right now flipping it into support because we broke through it. So this is of course looking very good, and it is also providing you upward sloping support. So if we're having another touch of this level, and you're probably wondering when should I add more, yeah, you can be adding more to your position once reaching the 41 cents, guys. So if you're reaching the 41 cents, we can be looking to add more to our positions on Cody. And once reaching the target, probably you're creating some kind of a symmetrical triangle here, because you also have this downward sloping resistance line here, what can push the price a little bit lower. So looking forward to Cody, looking forward to see where it is getting, where it is heading towards. So yeah, let's see what we're going to do here. Let's see what we're going to do. And I feel very excited, of course, for Cody, and also for the subscribers counts, guys. Oh damn! I can always give away this this insane giveaway. I already announced this one. I was doing that. Let's say once reaching the 22K, I was already announcing this giveaway. So should I, once reaching the 30K, should I already announce the 40K giveaway? Let me know. Maybe I have to think about it for a second. So. Siren, you're saying crypto.com, please. So I will be checking crypto.com in a second, because first, guys, we're going to do. I think if I can do it right now, I think we can do it almost right now, because we're almost reaching this insane target. Let me get it in front of me. Damn it, guys. Damn it, we're just going so quickly, and I can't. I don't know what to say. You guys are so lovely. So lovely. Let me get it in front of me. Let me. Where's my? Here it is. Here it is. Here it is. So yeah, it's here. So guys, 4 more subscribers. 4 more subscribers, and we're reaching it. So are we going to do? Yes, we do. We did it. We did it, guys. Thank you so much for reaching the 30K subscribers. Truly lovely. Insane target that we reached at 30K subscribers. Thank you so much. So if you want to win, because we promise you guys that we will be giving away 3 Litecoins. So if you want to win 3 Litecoins, I'm going to give it away to 10 people. So you can be winning it if you right now just say your Litecoin address in the chat, and I will be just picking a random winner. So make sure, I will be right away, just straight fire. I will be going here to this Femex account because I deposited 3 Litecoin over here. You can see 3.1 Litecoin withdrawal, and I will be, let me see, address management. I will be adding these 10 addresses. So okay, guys, yeah, you're spamming already your address. So let me see, I will be adding a Litecoin address. So winner 1, I will be announcing the winners right away, and after this, wait, this address. So winner 1. I will be picking random numbers. I will be picking random names, guys. I will be stop scrolling. And the first winner is address Monitificas. At Garrus. I don't know who you are. So I picked your Litecoin address. Oh, damn. I have to do this. I have to get my verification number real quickly. But, guys, the first winner is at Garrus. At Garrus Montvillas. So thank you so much for participating. And, of course, there are 9 more winners. And I'm looking at my verification number because I have to do this. So this is the first winner. I will be adding, of course, more winners. Okay, winner 2. I will be picking winner 2 right now. Litecoin. So congratulations for doing the first winner. And I'm going to stop right here. And it's Graham Davidson. Graham Davidson. So hopefully you all know who you are. But Graham Davidson, you are the second winner. Congratulations for to your, of course, your amazing Litecoins. So hopefully you're going to enjoy it. So this is the second one. Let me quickly get this in. So that's the second one, and Litecoin, and this is winner 3, and I will be also dispatching it live in the stream if you wanted to. So please, you don't have to say Litecoin, you have to say your address, guys, please. I do want to say it correctly. If you haven't done it yet, you have to pick your address. Please spam your address in the chat, guys, if you want to win it. So I'm going to stop it. Please make sure to send your address. Don't say Litecoin in the chat. I will be waiting for a second. I will be waiting, let's say 5 seconds. Oh, damn, this chat is absolutely going nuts. So, another winner is Batman Smokey. Batman Smokey, congratulations. Hopefully you're going to enjoy it as well. We'll be copying your wallet address as well. So, guys, of course, loving to do this giveaway. So, make sure if you want to win it as well, please send your Litecoin address in the chat. So let's see, winner 3. So winner 4, I mean. So there's still 7 more winners to be announced. So I will be picking right away another one because otherwise it will be taking way too long. So the another one is Daniel Underwood. Sorry, Daniel Underwood. So congratulations, Daniel. Hopefully you're going to join it. Hopefully you're going to enjoy it. And Litecoin transactions usually take, like, let's say 5 minutes or so. So you probably have it already very quickly. So right away going to give it away another time. So 3, 2, 1. It's give me 60 seconds. Give me 60 seconds. So congratulations as well here. You're a winner 5. So of course, still more possibilities, guys, to win it. Don't give up yet. Don't give up, please. I know the chances are very minor. And this is winner 6. So let me get it. Damn, the chat is completely exploding right now. The chat is completely exploding. And then the other winner is Sherry X92. So Sherry, congratulations. Hopefully you're going to enjoy it as well. And I see you're also a member of the channel. So that's, of course, really lovely. Sherry, if I say it correctly, you are winner 6. Congratulations. And by the way, you can't win 2 times. If I see the same name, I will be picking another winner. Because that's not nice. So, oh, wait. I was doing it incorrectly. Oh wait, you have to. I've reached the limit. So Sherry, I will first dispatching these ones because otherwise I only have a limit of 5 guys. So Sherry, give me a second. I have to send this first. Before I can do it. So this is ADA. Let me go to. Give me a second. I have to dispatch it real quickly, guys. So we'll be doing this also live in the stream. So we'll be beginning with winner 1, and you will be winning 0.3 Litecoin. And we'll be right away sending it, guys, so you can see. Okay, I will be doing these email confirmations after this because first I will do this real quickly. 0.3. And guys, then I can be adding the other guys as well, because then we can do the last 5 giveaways. Pending 3, 0.3. So 0.3 Femex. Sorry for me being so slow. You just have to wait a second if you want to win the other as well. So winner 4, 0.3. I'm trying to do my best to do this as fast as possible, of course. 4, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2. Going to confirm them also in a second. Winner 5, 0.3. So congratulations to everyone who round won. Also the 6 winners already announced. So let me quickly confirm these ones. Let me quickly confirm these ones, because then we can be sending them, of course, to other people as well, because we want to give away more Ethereum. And after this, we will be right away looking into the charts once again. So withdrawal confirmed. Withdrawal confirmed. It's very easy to confirm them, so just be patient for a second. Also, the transaction fees are so cheap. It's not even. The transaction fees are so cheap that it's not even. It doesn't even matter. Okay, I only got. Let me see. I only got 3. Wait, can you see it on the screen as well? So I only got 3 confirmations that on my email. So I have to wait a little bit longer. If I refresh the screen real quickly, I see. Oh, I have to go to like real quickly. You can see already. Oh, pending review. So already 3 confirmed, but the other 2 still have to wait. I don't know. I can't see them yet. Maybe in there on my spam mail. Let me check it real quickly. Are they in my spam mail? Probably they are. No, they are not. So let me do it on my PC. Maybe it is on my PC. No, okay. So I still have to wait for 2 other mails. So it is for. I will be getting these. I will be waiting for these, because otherwise I don't want to wreck these people, because I don't have a confirmation mail yet for 2 of these. So guys, I will be waiting. I will be waiting for a second, because I want to have these confirmation mails of this as well. I do want to have the confirmation mails of this as well. So this is, let me check it real quickly. So winner 5 and winner 1. So winner 5 and winner 1 still has to get it. So give me a second. I will be winner 5 and winner 1. You are still going to stay in here. Winner 5 and winner 1. You will be getting it in a second. If it doesn't work, I will be sending it to a new time. So I will be also adding winner 6, because winner 6 already was announced. That is. And guys, right now you can already say your address once again, because after this, because there's a minor delay, I will be doing the the next pick. I will be doing the next pick right away, because I just want to get on it with it. Why is it not working? Why is it not working? Tell me, please. Please put the right address. Damn, why is it not working? Guys, always having these issues. 2, 3, 6, 5, 6, 6. That's really weird. That's really weird. Give me a second. Oh wait, I had not set it on Litecoin. That's why. Winner 6. Sorry for me being so. Going to continue the giveaway. Going to continue the giveaway. Yeah, this is winner 6. So going to pick winner 7 right away. Going to pick winner 7. So make sure to say it right now. Going to pick winner 7. Oh damn, the chat is going nuts once again. And yeah, it's Richard. Richard Carngun. I don't know how to pronounce names. I'm very bad at pronunciations. So Richard, congratulations. You are winner 7. Hopefully I'm going to make more people happy, guys. This is also a thing that I do want to do. I think it's a good way how we're doing the giveaway, right? Okay, winner 7. So I can only do another winner. Then I have to dispatch it once again. And then we can be picking the last addresses. So we're going to pick winner 8. Going to pick winner 8. And congratulations, Pantiogo. And I see also a chat from Shane. Shane, you were almost a winner. If you did not chat, you probably won. So Pantiogo, congratulations. So I will be dispatching real quickly. 714438. So this is also the thing that I love to do here on the channel. So giving away some stuff to you guys, and for the winner number 1 and 5, please give me a second. If it's not dispatching, I will be doing it off the stream. Please, I will promise you, it is not a fake giveaway or so. Let me do withdrawal. So right now I will be doing it to number 6 real quickly, 0.3. So 0.3 for number 6. And that is 998067. Yeah, I will be going into it. And then winner 7 as well, 0.3. Withdrawal confirmation 998067. And also will be confirming then as well in seconds right away. So and this one is also 998067. So let me confirm this real quickly, and then I can do the last 2 winners. I can be announcing the last 2 winners in a second, guys. Let me quickly confirm these, and then we can be giving it away to the last people. So I think I have to redo number 1 and 5, but I will be doing that after stream. But please, I will promise you I will be sending it. I already told your name for who won. So okay, I confirmed these as well. So you can see only number, let me see, which one is this? I think number 7. I did not got the email for number 7. So sometimes I don't get an email, so I will be redoing them. Okay, so number, let me quickly refresh. Don't want to get wrecked, of course. I do want to be sending them. Why is there no data? Why is it saying no data? So let me see. Email confirm pending. Okay, this one. So number 8 is done. And number 8 is done, and number 6 is also done. So I can remove number 8 and 6, and then we can be picking the last winners. So number 8 and 6 is done. 8 and 6. So I will be picking the last 2 winners. Guys, make sure to say your name right now. Winner 9 and winner 10 will be announced as well right away here. We'll be doing these giveaways. Please, I hope truly. Okay, I see all the chat is coming in. Damn it, guys. We're just spamming through the chat so hard. And let me stop right here. And it's Creek All. Congratulations, Creek All. I see the super chat also coming in. We'll be going into the super chat in a second, guys. Congratulations, Creek. So picking the last winner in a second. Make sure there's a little bit of delay, but probably once you hear me talking this, I'm picking the winner. So make sure to already spam your address. So yeah, that's winner 9. So winner 10. Let me quick. I will be picking the last winner right now. So, do we post this in the chat, Elazanet? Yes, we do post it in the chat. And guys, I will be picking the last winner right now. So, I hope truly, if you haven't won yet, that you're going to become the winner right now. And I will be stopping right now, and it will be the young entrepreneur with your amazing Bitcoin logo. So, oh damn it, I screw. Oh yeah, I see it once again. Okay, I moved my mouse a little bit. So. The young entrepreneur, you are also the 10th and the last winner. So guys, we gave away exactly 3 Litecoin in the stream. So you can be stopping with spamming everything, guys. I will be doing this after stream because otherwise it will be very boring. But I promise you, I will be sending it. If I haven't seen the confirmation yet, I will be sending it after the stream. Just give me, probably once I ended the stream, we'll be doing it right away. So I will be giving away it, of course. But guys, this was the amazing 30K giveaway, guys. And this was the 30K giveaway. And guys, if you don't believe me, in the next stream, I will be showing you guys everything that I sent at it. I will be not scamming you guys. This is a true giveaway, but everyone can stop saying it right now in the chat. Guys, I feel so unfortunate that if you haven't won your Litecoin, that's truly unfortunate. Please look at EOS, what is happening right now. So yeah, let's go back into the charts right now. But guys, thank you so much for just subscribing to the channel, because yeah, we reached the 30K. We reached the 30K and 25 subscribers already. So truly lovely. We did the 30K giveaway, and guys, you have to know, once we are doing a 40K giveaway, it will be only becoming bigger and bigger and bigger. Of course, already loving to give some stuff to you guys, and it was, I think, a very successful giveaway. So definitely lovely to see. So let me remove this as well. Let's see what we're going to do, guys. Let's see what we're going to do. And congratulations for everyone who won it. I think it's very nice to see. Rover, how do we send the addresses? You had to spam the address in the chat. I'm sorry, Dean Harvey. You had to spam the address in the chat. And I already picked a winner. So thank you so much. You're a legend. No problem. The young entrepreneur, I will be... You are the 10th winner. So I will be sending it after stream, bro. I don't see my address. Please, you can stop spamming your address. Thank you, Sherry. Yeah, Sherry, you also won. No problem. Guys, Rover's no scammer. No, I'm not a scammer, guys. But thank you so much for subscribing to the channel. Truly lovely to reach the 30K live in the stream. It was a very amazing goal that we reached. A very amazing goal that we reached. So yeah, let's head towards the 40K right now, right? April Fools. No, it's not. Yeah, we reached it on April 1st, but it's not a scam. It's not a fool. Guys, please stop spamming your address right now, because we are done with spamming your address. But let's look at EOS, because I got a request real quickly. So let's check EOS, guys. What are we having with EOS? Is it increasing very significantly? Yes, it is increasing very significantly. So this is, of course, very lovely to see what we are having with the price action of EOS. You can see symmetrical triangle getting formed right now, breaking to the upside, having this previous this retest of previous resistance, flipping into support. Very lovely to see. So yeah, yes, it's doing pretty crazy. It's pumping very significantly in this 4-hourly candle. So let's see if we can be reaching this $5.39, because once reaching that target, of course, that is very significant resistance. And I see Natasha also saying congratulations on your 30K subscribers. Everyone, thank you so much. Congratulations. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. I truly want to love everyone. I don't see my please don't spam in the chat. I truly love the support that everyone is giving. And of course, once reaching the 40K, we will be only doing a bigger and bigger giveaway. Nobody is spamming any addresses. Congratulations, thank you so much. Man, why are people spamming so hard in the chat? Please don't spam anymore. We did the spamming already. Right now we will be going back in the charts. So yeah, let's look at EOS. You can see the $5 and 39 cents will be a very critical level that we do want to be breaking through, because if we're not breaking through this level, probably we're going to see a stealth correction. Previously also acting as resistance, and also the RSI was pretty overextended on the 4-hourly over here. And you were creating a higher high, so you were creating this bearish divergence. But if you look at this big symmetrical triangle that you were forming on the price section of EOS, you can see that we are right now breaking to the upside. So it is looking good for the price section of EOS. And it's also, of course, still looking good for Bitcoin. People are freaking out, but I'm not freaking out. I'm still sitting here, still leaning backwards, because I know the Bitcoin will be coming all right. It was quite clear, but probably for the people that were checking in here. I mean, if you did won the giveaway, it was pretty unfortunate, of course. But guys, we will be doing more giveaways, so don't freak out here. Chill, man. Let's do TA. Yes, that's what we are doing. That's what we are doing. I mean, you're saying you have to change it to top chat, but guys, you have to know, I was doing the recent chat. I was looking at the recent chat, not the top chat. There are no addresses in the chat. Guys, I was saying that you had to spam your own address in the chat. That was the whole point. Yeah, if you did not get it, that was pretty unfortunate, but still, we had announced the 10 winners. I was not sending my own address, guys. And you had to send your address, because how can I send Litecoin to my own address? That's not how it works, right? I have to have your address. Then what about a mug? Yeah, we will be giving away another mug very soon. But today I already did a good giveaway, right? Thanks for the giveaway. I'm just not sure how to get the address. I mean, you have to send your address, because guys, I have to send Litecoins to you, and you can't. I was not asking to send Litecoins to me, right? So that was the reason. So I don't know why people did not got it, because I thought it was quite clear. But yeah, it's still pretty unfortunate, guys, if you did not know how to. Yeah, I mean, Dean Harvey deserved to win. That's true. Dean Harvey really deserved to win, because he's a true legend here on the channel, of course. That's what he said. Yeah, that's true. Of course I will. I will. So let's go back at the charts, guys. I will be just ignoring it. I want the mug. I know. Guys, we're also making an NFT as well for the mug, so looking forward to it as well. So let me see. Guys, the giveaway is already over, so you can't win anything anymore. Stop buying Doge. I think Dogecoin is good coin to have. So yeah, let's go back to the charts. Let's look at Ethereum. Ethereum looks like it's getting rejected, by the way. And this was once again a thing that I was talking about. Ethereum. A lot of people are anticipating Ethereum, and what you can see right now, what you're having with Ethereum, is of course you were creating a wick on the top side once again. And because you're creating a wick on the top side, that's the reason you first want to see the 1 hourly candle close. You first want to see the one. Sorry, you first want to see the 1 hourly candle close, and if you don't do that, of course, you are probably going to see a fake out, and that is also the thing that you're having right now for the price action of Ethereum. So yeah, we were discussing this earlier on, because first this 1 hourly candle was flipping pretty green, and right now it is flipping back into the red. So that's pretty unfortunate. So yeah, let's see what we are going to do. You were also creating a bearish divergence, so it was very likely to see a cool bear started. Did we just make a higher low for Bitcoin? No, we are not creating a higher low for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is still looking very good in my opinion. Bitcoin is, you're talking about a higher low, but, sorry, oh wait, did we make a higher, did we just make a higher low on Bitcoin? Yes, yeah, we are doing higher lows. We are making higher lows on Bitcoin, but the point here is that we are still in a very good uptrend. And right now we are consolidating under the very critical resistance target. And that is, of course, a thing that we are loving to see here. So yeah, that's definitely the thing that we are loving to see right now. So yeah, I mean, people are still bearish on Bitcoin, where you can see that it is right now having very bullish consolidation. So it's no reason for me to flip bearish. And also, like you told me, yes, are we setting higher lows on the higher time frames? Yes, we are. And probably if you look to the lower time frames as well, you can see also creating higher lows. And here again, higher lows. So I mean, there's nothing wrong with Bitcoin at the moment. It's looking good. We're still in the uptrend, even on the lower time frames. And also on the higher time frames. So let's see. GRT is pumping, yeah. Let's check GRT real quickly. Let's check GRT real quickly. Yes, and it was having a fake out here to the downside, and since this fake out, we moved up once again. So what's a good entry price for Bitcoin? Let me check it in a second. But yeah, let's look at GRT. You can see GRT having its downward sloping resistance line. And then we were first forming a descending triangle, but we had this fake out to the downside. We were creating this upward, downward sloping support line as well, where we also were seeing a downward sloping resistance line. So this was, of course, very exciting what we are having. And I can even redraw this one. Let me. Oh damn! I want to not remove all my indicators. I want to remove all the drawings. So if you look to this particular scenario, you can see, yes, we are pumping to the upside, but in the end of the day, we have not seen a clear breakout yet. So sorry if I missed you. Anything to expect for Ethereum? So we'll be going into Ethereum in a second, Xavier. So thank you for supporting, of course, channel. But yeah, what we are having with GRT right now, it looks like a falling wedge since the top of the channel. And that we are right now once again crashing through the resistance target, and we haven't broke through it yet. So yes, we are seeing GRT pumping a little bit here, but in the end of the day, I do want to be seeing this breakthrough coming in here, and then we can be looking for newer all-time highs. So if we can smash through this level and have a retest, then we can be looking for all-time highs. So let's see if we can do it anytime soon here, guys. Let's see if we can do it. GRT small pump. Yeah, we are having a minor pump for GRT, but nothing all too interesting, to be honest. But yeah, first want to see this breakthrough of this level, because we haven't broke through it yet, and that is once again my point. GRT is consolidating very good. GRT is behaving itself very good, because you can see it is having a very good uptrend, and since this uptrend consolidating right now over here, it is just likely to see another leg up getting created anytime soon here, guys. And I just feel very bullish about GRT already, and especially because you're having a huge uptrend, consolidation, and then it's likely to see a pump coming in anytime soon. This channel to the moon, definitely we're heading to the moon. So guys, let me check Ethereum real quickly. I don't know for how long I will be streaming. Probably the stream of today will be very long, because I have to go to dinner. So that's probably the reason why we'll be wrapping up the stream earlier than expected. Because usually we are doing 3 hours or 4 hours of streams, but I do think this today will be a little bit shorter, unfortunately, even though I'm still very happy that we did the giveaway on 30K. Still very glad that we reached, of course, all together. We're just doing a very good job here on the channel. So if you look at Ethereum, you're basically asking, what did I miss anything about Ethereum? And I mean, you have not missed anything yet about Ethereum. And I know a lot of people are feeling very bullish about Ethereum. I know a lot of people are anticipating a push up for Ethereum, and that is also the thing that I'm anticipating right now. Because if you zoom out, and always once you're in doubt, maybe just zoom out here. And if you're zooming out for the price action of Ethereum, You can see we're creating a W shape, and the neckline is very clear. And what we want to be seeing here is, of course, this breakthrough of this neckline on the daily candle close. So for now on, it's looking like that we are crushing through this level on the daily. But first, I want to see the confirmation of the daily candle close above this line. So if we're going to close above this line, I do want to be seeing, of course, also retest coming in here. And if we are having a retest, guys, then we can be definitely looking for a very good long position for the price action of Ethereum, because the price target can be, of course, quite interesting. And that is also a reason why, if you are not in a swing trade position already, you can definitely enter a swing trade position right now for the price action of Ethereum. So if you want to do so, make sure you can possibly trade on Femex if you want to. You can trade on Bybit. You can trade Litecoin everywhere. But I'm trading it probably on Femex and on Bybit, so I'm always counter trading myself. I like it, so that's of course a lovely thing to see. And Aimer, thank you. You're saying thanks for the video again. No problem, bro. So what you're having here, W structure breaking out to the upside, and if we are going to close this daily candle above it, I will be looking for long positions on the retest. So a lot of possibilities. And the point here is that I do want to be making, guys, the higher the time frame, the more significance it is going to show you. So it was showing you a lot of significance because it's on the daily candle. So the higher the time frame, the more significance, and also the more stealth the move up can be. So it is looking very good for the price action of Ethereum. So Lucas Fleck, you're just tuning in here and you're saying hi, people. Welcome. I just add more BTC to my position. Very nice. Is Bitcoin going to pump or dump? It's definitely going to pump. No way Bitcoin is going to dump. No way it's going to dump. Maybe it really depends how what your definition of a dump is. But my definition of a dump, no, it won't be dumping. It won't be dumping. Consolidation on the resistance. We are going to see new all-time high next week. At least maybe tomorrow or next week. Tomorrow or next week. No, I mean it's possible that we are going to see a new all-time high get created on the weekend. But I don't like it. I don't like all-time highs getting created in the weekend. And damn, there are some spammer boys in the chat right now. Can I still buy Bitcoin today? I sold everything yesterday. And Richard, please, why did you sort your Bitcoin? Oh damn, Richard, damn. Richard, I'm so sorry, but I unfortunately did the timeout by you instead of Serdar. So I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry that I gave you a timeout, Richard. That was not my meaning, but I can't redo it. So I'm sorry. But Richard, you were saying, view the deleted message. Can I still buy Bitcoin? I sold it yesterday. So Richard, yes, you can definitely buy Bitcoin. And this is also the thing that I don't like to see here, that people are selling their Bitcoin once we're looking so bullish. Why should you sell your Bitcoin over here once we are going to set a new all-time high anytime soon? So I should definitely rebuy. I should definitely get exposed to Bitcoin right now, because if you're not exposed to Bitcoin, you're potentially missing out very, very good rewards. So I should not look to sell your Bitcoin today. I should not look to sell my Bitcoins even below the 100K. I will be waiting for 100K to sell my first Bitcoin, because I am not selling Bitcoin yet, guys. Still will be waiting for 100K. Even if we're right going in a bear market, I am still ready. I will be accumulating more and more, but I don't think this is the top yet. And I do think that we're looking very bullish, even though we haven't took out the previous high, guys. We are just looking so strong here. Inverse and his shoulders, cup and handle. Only bullish scenarios that are playing out right now. Consolidation under resistance. It is just looking very good. I should not get out of Bitcoin right now. I should not sell your Bitcoin. And if you're not exposed yet, still will tell it. Buying Bitcoin under the 60K is a good buy. Richard, yeah, I feel so bad for Richard. I feel bad for Richard. Tomorrow we will break the all-time high. It's definitely possible that we are going to do it tomorrow, or maybe overnight, maybe in 8 hours, maybe earlier. So let's see. Is Ethereum going to dump before a big move to the upside? I mean, a dump is now out of the books. But yeah, if Bitcoin is really going to pump to the upside, I definitely think Ethereum can be following. And I think what also Ethereum is really a really character thing from Ethereum is that it pumps very quickly. Even though it's overextended, it pumps very quickly to the upside. And I definitely don't think, I think we are not done yet with this pump. I do think that we can see more moves getting created, and I don't necessarily expect a dump. What can be, I mean, really, people are calling a dump, let's say, a $10 or $20 move for Ethereum. So I don't call it a dump. If I call it a dump, it at least has to be a 10% move. So for me, I don't really expect a dump. Maybe a move to the gray box, but that is just a healthy consolidation. Then we can be moving up. I do think it's likely always when you're moving up quite significantly, you first see these minor corrections and then move up. Minor correction, move up. So Would it be likely to touch this gray box before moving up? Yes, it would be very likely. So I also think that you can be accumulating your position over there. If you're not in a position yet, please don't rush into anything. Wait for the clear opportunity. But gray box is definitely a good scenario that you can be buying at, and that's approximately around the $1,900 US. So that's another $40 US drop off. So that's approximately, let's say, 2 or 3% from here on. So nothing to worry about too much. Bitcoin still also consolidating here. Bitcoin falling. I mean, people are saying Bitcoin falling, but it's just still having consolidation, and it is just Bitcoin is just still looking good. What do you think about the buy cycle indicator? I do think it's important to look at, but I don't think that Bitcoin is bearish at the moment. Also, a thing that I do want to be looking at. I mean, you can't ignore these factors, but these are just calculations. And right now we are having way more institutional interest, and that is of course pushing the price also a little bit higher. And if I look to different growth curves, I mean, it is not calling the top yet here. And maybe the price cycle works, the calculation works a little bit different because we're already pumping so significantly in such a short period of time. Is calling the top, but I don't think. Yeah, you can be looking at calculations, but at the end of the day, you also want to look at the fundamental worth of Bitcoin, and the fundamental worth is only increasing and increasing. And then I'm not looking to sell here. I'm not looking to sell if the fundamental worth is only picking up more and more for the price action of Bitcoin. So let me look at the MACD here, because guys, we were looking at the MACD yesterday, and we were discussing this. We were discussing the MACD yesterday, and we were telling you guys we are almost having a golden cross on the MACD. So yeah, people are saying it's not dumping, it's consolidating low. Completely true. But guys, look at the daily MACD. Guys, Bitcoin, of course, in a stealth uptrend, but then the golden cross on the MACD is right now forming over here. So this, of course, extremely bullish. This is giving you a huge green flag for Bitcoin. You can see here, previously, on the 17th of December, we had this golden cross. That was exactly over here. And since then, of course, moved up here. Here we had this death cross, and we started this downtrend. So if we zoom in even a little bit more, and I have to get this correctly, you can see over here having a golden cross, and once having the golden cross, sorry, here we had the death cross. So since having the death cross, we moved lower, and here we had the exact golden cross. Since the golden cross, we moved up very quickly. So, and exactly over here as well. Over here we had the golden cross as well, and we moved up even more. So right now having another golden cross, guys, this is for me an indication as well on the daily time frame that we're probably going to see newer highs getting created. So looking forward to it. The daily MACD also extremely bullish. So I mean, there's no reason for me to flip bearish at the moment. There are only very good indicators that are just flagging very green signs, and also the EMA ribbon on the daily showing a lot of support each and every time. We have to come down, retest it, move up. And they're probably going to move down, retest it, move up, guys. It's looking, the market structure is just generally to the upside. Don't freak out. Don't rush into anything here. And 4-hourly EMA is also coming higher, so there will only become more and more support. So that's the reason, once consolidating at a certain level for a longer period of time, you're going to also meet some extra support lines from some indicators, because the market is consolidating, making itself ready. And that is the point. Consolidation is very important, because if you're consolidating, the market is just making itself ready to have an insane move. And I do think it will be to the upside. So looking forward to it, guys. There will be a huge move incoming anytime soon. I do think tomorrow will probably be the huge move that will be coming. Of course, we can also still see a correction. And if we're going to see a correction, of course, we're creating once again a lower high, and it will be still very bearish. And we're also invalidating the inverse and the shoulders. But I mean, I can't stress enough about it. It is looking good here. But if we are getting correction in the weekend, I should not be freaking out, because probably in the weekends it's will manipulation. But guys, right now I will be wrapping up the stream, because I'm getting pretty hungry and I have to eat something, because otherwise I'm going to starve to death. I don't want that, of course. So it was a truly lovely stream here, guys. Truly lovely. We did a lot of information about certain altcoins, and if you want to check more of the channel, you can right now also subscribe to the channel. Would be, of course, very amazing, because today also reaching the 30K subscribers. So lovely to see. But guys, I will be wrapping up the stream here. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, you can make sure to do it right here, because at 40K we will be doing even more giveaways. And if you also want to join the Discord server, you can right now also go to the live chat. You can join the Discord server. It's completely free. You have to do the CAPTCHA. You have to verify yourself, because there are a lot of bots in there. So first have to verify yourself, because before you're getting completely access to the server. So if you want to chill out with some other people over there, make sure to do so. Also, you can find me on Instagram here at CryptoRoverYT. Also find me here on Twitter. Would be, of course, also very cool if you're following me over here. So it's at RoverCrypto. So guys, it was an amazing stream here. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure to do it right now here, because tomorrow we will be back with a new stream here. And I will check you guys tomorrow. And I see everyone saying, Dan Legend, thank you so much here. Have an amazing night here. Have an amazing day, everyone. Don't forget, I will be seeing you guys tomorrow. Goodbye.